ready. Keegs, good morning, my brother.
Morning, brother.
How are you feeling? Alright?
I'm good, bro. We're on the mend.
Alright, that's good to hear. Keegs, what do you think of all this here, bro? I don't know what to do with it, but
Man, looks like you just got back from Turkey.
Bro. Chad, you guys thought we were joking when we said all you need is B12 complex. That right there, Chad. Hair growth, immaculate. Alright, what's happening here? Alrighty, Chad. Keeks, did you check what Paul was saying last night? Anything good, anything bad, anything worth noting?
Honestly, bro, I didn't even look.
Chad, any news on what Paul said last night? I was out early. I don't know if Mr. Richard Lowry, I'm ready to resume training, my brother. I'm ready to get back. No vape is tough, I'm not gonna lie. I'm starting to smell a lot of things here in the office. Feel good. What is it? Almost 18 hours. So by 11 o'clock, that will be 24 hours. Feeling good, Chad. Feeling good. No vaping. That is a start. Not even 24 hours. Didn't really bother me yesterday. Was quite busy yesterday, but this morning, when I was sitting here getting ready for the stream, that's when I started fighting a bit, where I was less for that vape, ready to pull it. So, Chad. But anyways, we're gonna get going here very shortly. One thing I do want to chat about is yesterday. Obviously, I got into the tail end of it, Chad, but I just want to really make it very clear. Let me know if the audio is good. This channel is for everybody, and myself and Keegan, we are the two G's, and for the most part, we facilitate the community. It's not, we don't take the channel for granted. We don't take anybody for granted, but it needs to be a space for all traders to come, to feel comfortable, to feel safe, that if they want to say something in the chat, that they are not going to be attacked or people are going to jump on them. So yeah, Chad, please, let's all work together. Let's make it a place where we can all grow together, where we can all have fun trading. Let's not make it this villain thing where guys that are ranged, for instance, if somebody says something that you are maybe not comfortable with, like yesterday, where the guy was just sharing something actually novel about where the bulls and the bears came from, and immediately his chat got chalked. So Vince, I don't want to bring it up again, but let's just facilitate everybody here. So let's make it a community that people love to be a part of, and let's not make it this mafia thing where if you don't say the same thing as me and Keegs, now all of a sudden you're the enemy. No, we are different people, different backgrounds, different journeys, but all striving towards that same goal. So, Chad, with that being said, Keegs, you ready?
Hey, brother, I'm ready.
Keegan said after carrying the stream last week with all those pips, I need to take over a bit, so that's what I'll do. Chad, but before we start, we're just going to start off with our morning prayer. And again, Chad, if Keegan blasphemed yesterday, pray for Keegan. If I blaspheme, pray for me. We need it. I've said it before, we're going to get that prayer wall up. We're not perfect. We are very far from it, but that's why we need your prayers as well. And that's where I also said yesterday, where sin abounds, grace abounds even more. So that's why we are very open about it, that we need that grace every single day. And we are not perfect, Chad. If you are looking for two perfect people, you're on the wrong channel. Two imperfect dudes trying to do their best. And so pray for us as well, but let's pray for everybody. And let's get this stream going. So, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Amen. In Jesus' name, amen. Can I get two agreements? Let's get at least two guys agreeing. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, Chad, enough with all of the formalities. We are here to put in a body of work today, and we're gonna. Keegs, are you fine with the audio? How's the audio in your ear?
Good on my side, bro.
You don't want more monitors?
No, I'm perfect there.
Okay. Chad, so let's go over to the econ calendar.
I was gonna say yes, this pound is flying, but I see the pounded CPI come out hot this morning.
All right, Chad. So we had quite a bit of pound data this morning. Let's quickly look at it. CPI year on year came out lower than previous, but hotter than expected by 0.1%, and then same with year on year. So relatively mixed, I would say. PPI coming out lower, and then PPI input also lower, and then retail price index coming again lower than previous, but a little bit higher than expected. So a little bit of a mixed bag. So we're going to check what the pound is doing here this morning. A little bit later, CPI coming out of the Eurozone, and 3 o'clock, Cipollone, not Poloni, Cipollone. That's on at 3. We've got Schnabel at 5:45, and then the big one tonight, 7:45, Christine Lagarde. Also, Governor Bailey, 6 o'clock. So, Chad, we're going to start off here, Keegs. I don't know if you want to maybe check if you can get some headlines from last night.
I'll check it out for us now, brother.
Then we can just see. I just want to see if Powell mentioned anything last night. Alrighty, Chad. DXY, let's check the daily. Still bullish. Nothing has changed here. So, again, same ranges as yesterday. Expecting us to, while we hold above 105.76, to push to 106.32.5. So, let's check the 5-minute time frame. Beautiful. What do we have here? Nice Asia range. Yesterday's Asia range, today's Asia range, almost very similar. 80 is still bullish, Chad. Dollar is still looking strong. Very, very simple for me today. I would love to see what the dollar is going to do here at that key level, daily S1, and then we're going to see what the dollar does from there. Otherwise, if we take Asia lows, I want to see us get back above the daily pivot for us to continue higher. US 30, let's quickly look at a daily perspective. All right, daily yesterday starting to show some signs of potential pausing. I said very, very simple for me yesterday. This level, 37,727. Again, that's going to be key here today if we're going to hold as support to start pulling back to these previous breakout levels. That's going to happen there. So still bearish, but we can potentially find some support here today.
Sorry, Chris.
Okay.
Just to give you the heads up quickly. So basically the big headline, Fed passes restrictive rates policy needs more time to work. So basically, again, saying that they feel it needs to be more restrictive for longer. They are still very set on the 2% goal, but readings of the past few months, price pressures may even be moving in the opposite direction. And then the big thing which came out, it looks like, is obviously for it to be restrictive, to give it time. They obviously are looking at now the first cut is only expected to be September. And the
Alrighty.
odds of even having a second are dwindling. So it looks like they're going to have one cut for the year, and that's only looking like September. That was the big thing that came out of it yesterday.
Alrighty, Chad, there you have it. Out of Jay Powell, Jay Rizzle,
So he's actually giving us a date of what they're looking at now.
Chad, very simple there. I told you guys repricing going on, and that is very constructive. Now we've got a date to work towards. September, still a long way ahead, but we're going to look at some Fed futures a little bit later into the session. US 30 is still looking bearish. However, 80 is starting to show us signs that bulls are starting to take, I wouldn't say control here, but I feel like the longer the bulls stay above this 200, the more serious it's going to get. So just looking at this, Chad, if you started off with baby pips, this is what you call a beautiful trend. This is where trend lines work. This is where you feel absolutely indestructible up until you get destroyed. But anyways, Chad, very, very simple. You can see the trend is down, and I want to see potentially this level taken out before I can really feel like we are going to start getting bullish. So that level there, 38, big round number. That's what I want to see. Otherwise, if you want to be very aggressive, 37, 736. So these two zones here for potential reversals to the upside. Very, very simple. Let me just bring this across. I'm going to throw over to Keegan now for the dollar and for indices. Nasdaq still bearish, taking out yesterday's low. Very, very weak bullish daily candle. So we're going to see into today. 80 also starting to show some signs of buyers coming into the market, chat. So I'm going to be very careful to say this, but maybe start looking for some pullback plays. I think it could be very explosive back to the upside. However, monitor this key level down here, this daily S1. And then also what I want to check here quickly is Asia. Give me 1 second. What did Asia do overnight? Nikkei closing down 1.32%. Absolutely getting smashed. Hang Seng doing a little bit better, down 0.6%. Okay, Chad. So still equities fighting for their life. So Keegs, are you ready, my brother?
I'm ready, brother.
To finesse the guys. Chad, look at this beautiful transition in 3, 2, 1.
Must say it honestly isn't that bad. Like when I was saying, I'm just more adamant you can't be jumping the whole time between screens, but I think it's so smooth. But yeah, guys, let's get into DXY. So the big thing was yesterday, I said to you guys we would look at the psychological level of 106, and that was our area of interest for the whole day yesterday. We basically tapped it, and we're actually trading bearish the whole day. So if you go back and look at it, we basically hit it in the morning, 2 in the morning, and then traded down the whole day. Until basically afternoon session, getting ready for when Powell spoke, and we came right back up with that close at the end of the day underneath this level. So when we look at the daily, the thing is, yes, we did close above it, but I'm going to tell you guys this, I'm not going to take too much into this closure above, purely because we know there was fundamentals inside of that. So when it comes into this, I do think today, even though dollar is actually quite strong, it's almost as if we were only strong yesterday because of what Powell said. So I am going to look for a bit of a pull away. The big thing is, I always say to you guys, if we're going to trade in these levels, we should have broken and continue to the top side. So until DXY can actually give us that nice clear break to again, we can see that move. Otherwise, I'm going to be looking to actually go short today, funny enough, on DXY. I want to see us have a pullback. When it comes to the EMAs, we can also see obviously a lot of the crossovers happening. But again, the whole time we've been trading above our EQ. And where yesterday ended, we always talk about this is also going to show for big volume days. So either the fake out or the reversal. Our EQs and daily pivots are now right slap bam in the middle of our Asia range. So again, very, very thing I would say, which is already playing out, is we had Asia highs set, Asia lows, break, sweep of Asia highs. And then, as I would say, we would have wanted to see the break under that psychological level again and hold, which it did perfectly, and now that sell-off coming in. We don't have any dollar news today to basically intervene, so this is where technicals are really going to come in line. And that's why I say, because we've already had that high swept everything, it's very, very good chance we can see Asian lows being taken and a continuation to the downside. So funny enough, on the day, guys, I'm actually going to go bearish on the dollar. This also, guys, just will come in line with a few pairs. So when we start going over to the other pairs, the daily, we are going to see that come in. So it actually will line up and cross over to a lot of our other pairs. But I'm actually going to be going bearish on the dollar today. What did you say for the dollar?
I said I'm just vibing. I'm just here. No, I'm kidding. I also said the thing is, though, even though everything still looks bullish for the dollar, at some stage we're all going to start pulling back, and the same with equities. Like a lot of the repricing, let's call it the bad news, has been priced in now, and everybody's going to be like, oh, okay, it's fine. It's not the end of the world. Okay, let's start buying some equity again. So I think just a lot of repricing going on, and we've been talking about it since the start of the year, where it's the Fed futures. People ask, why did the dollar strengthen? And again, it's just Fed futures are repricing the first cut. Chad, if you've been with us for a little bit, you would understand the fundamentals about the markets trying to be forward looking, always trying to.
I think, as you say, and the big thing there is they basically price it in. The big thing now, guys, is Powell, and that's just the thing people are misleading about it, is Powell gave us a date now. For the first time, he's giving us a date of what they are looking at. So you basically can take it off. The markets can price in for September now. So once it's priced in, again, we always say the monetary policy isn't changing. So once it's priced in, dollar can start going bearish, because that's the overall outlook. So it can start playing out a little bit more after that. But yeah, so that's just my outlook on that.
Alrighty, Chad, over to gold, all you gold bugs. I think this is also, let's leave gold for last. I'm going to start with GBP USD. Daily time frame, Chad. Still bearish. Let's see if today's daily candle can start breaking yesterday's high. Then we're going to start seeing some type of pullback all the way back here to the weekly pivot. And that is what we are ready for. Let's check the 4 hour for some potential swing plays here. No swings as of yet, but maybe as this 4 hour candle closes, we can start looking for a potential swing play, because then we're starting to break structure back to the upside. So keep that in mind. Still bearish, but we are going to be very nimble here today, Chad. There's that data release coming out. Asia lows taken, Asia highs taken. You've got your key level there, you've got your daily pivot untested, so we're going to need to wait a little bit, see where this thing pulls back to. Can't really jump into this. This is a moving bus. Ask people that have tried to jump onto a moving bus how that went, and they'll tell you exactly how it went. It didn't went. They went with their heads into the pavement. But anyways, Chad, Euro USD daily time frame, let's check here. Still a lot of bearish pressure going on here, still trading below a lot of key zones here, so we're going to need to see where we try and bottom out here in the short term, but still looking bearish. Let's check the 5 minute. All right, 80 as well, still firmly bearish. Bears do not want to let go here. Bulls also not really that adamant to do anything here. So let's see, Chad, if we start trading above Asia highs, if we hold above this daily pivot, I might look for a potential pullback play. However, euro is a lot weaker than pound today. UJ, let's look at the yen pairs. I think there was a nice little tweet yesterday, Keegs, during your session, where the BOJ...
There actually was, but funny enough, if you actually go look at it, the BOJ is actually looking quite strong. The yen is looking very, very good.
Yeah, there's that tweet, chat. So I hope you guys came out of that unscathed. nothing like a nice young little tweet just to get that heart rate going, get that blood flowing. And yeah, Chad, so very, very weirdly enough, we've traded below Asia lows. We've taken Asia lows. Here's our half round number. 80 is still very strong. You cannot say, oh shit, I'm now all of a sudden bearish based off that little bit of dip below the 200. But again, this thing will need to start correcting at some stage. So let's see. I'm just gonna wait for the markets to open up, see where we settle in. Because yeah, this has been the yen pairs. Chad, this is ugly. I don't know how to tell you this, but if you've been in the game a while, this is not a chart that you looking at it and you're like, damn, I want to get so stuck into these charts. No, these are the charts that absolutely maul you. And trading this for a couple of weeks, months, you might go back to a 9 to 5 or even quit trading altogether. So keep that in mind. GJ, let's look at the daily. Still very messy here, Chad. Still looking like a young teenage relationship. Messy, a lot of emotions, a lot of backwards and forwards texting. These long text messages, you've seen it. It looks like essays, 3,000 word minimum, backwards and forwards. You guys don't really talk to one another. It's just WhatsApps. But anyways, this is going to become clear for me once we get a daily close out of this range. I just want to see a daily close out of this range, and I am solid for the rest of the week. 5-minute time frame. What do we have here? Asia lows taken, Asia highs taken as well. Just a young rocket being sent to space here. There's the weekly R1. So I'm going to wait for some type of pullback, Chad. We're going to see what we do a little bit later. EJ, let's quickly check EJ on the daily. Okay, we've got a confirmed support here, Chad. 2 consecutive daily bullish daily candle closures. We've got the upper end of the range up here, so I would expect us to push either today and tomorrow to come and test this upper limit here. This is not bearish. I don't know why TradingView does not save my stuff, even though I click save here. Save it. Save. Beautiful. Thanks, TradingView. 5-minute time frame. Beautiful. What do we have here? We've got a nice, beautiful round number here. 164. 80 taking a little bit of a breather here. We're going to need to see that getting back above the 200. Very, very simple here for me, Chad. Beautiful setup. Asia low. Daily pivot. Key level. This is a max stack ready for you to attack, and let's see if we can catch those pips. And I'm going to first allow Keegan to do his analysis, let him do gold. I'll finish with gold, and I'm going to get what did I call it? The poll. Is it a poll?
Yeah, the poll.
It is a poll. Chad, just hold onto your seats. That transition is coming. Oh my sack, you weren't ready, but let's go. Kicks over to you.
So you did everything other than gold, eh?
Everything
Cool,
other
so I
than
can
gold,
run through it. So yeah, guys, NAS, we are neutral today as well. Again, we are bearish more on that weekly outlook with this massive closure underneath. But again, I said to you, my thing is always once we break, you want to retest. So that retest is still coming on the cards for us. Yesterday, obviously, we were going up straight away and then came back down and closed off on a little Abra doji candle there. One thing you want to take note of today, guys, we have already started off the day by taking out yesterday's low. So that's going to really be a nice fake out over there and then turning around. So we can see over here, you literally traded down, taking that out, now getting your nice massive rejection, coming back in here. So on the lower time frames, all we're going to look again, daily pivot EQ right there by the Asia range. If we can trade back up, getting above this, very nice to trade, take out Asia highs, continuation back to that resistance zone over there, and then we'll see what happens there. So very, very neutral position on NAS. Then with US 30, again, we are pretty much also neutral, but this one does look a little bit more bearish. Again, even though we are closing, we've got this S2 over here, the monthly S2, which can hold as a rejection for us. So we can see that, as we said, they're just trading down and down the whole time. So US 30, we are neutral, but leaning a bit more to the bearish side of things anyway. So again, let's just start off here. If you start dropping down, we'll see there EQ pivot, same place almost as NAS, but literally trading down, Asia highs untested. So again, we already can see we already have Asia highs untested, so that's the first target we need to be aware of. If we can get back into the range, look to go take out those Asia highs. We could even then just fake out, testing that 200, and then back into the Asia range for the continuation down below. So if we are going to sell off, I think that would be the best move. But otherwise, if we can do this and hold, obviously we can trade back to the top side. So very much a reactive day on the indices from my side. Then over to UJ, guys. We are bullish, but funny enough, I do see us having a sell coming off purely because we'll see this on all the yen pairs. If you go look, yen is actually looking very, very strong at the moment now. Again, all of them are basically at all-time highs. So we're going to see a little bit of that pullback. And I mean, straight off the bat, as nice as this is, that little intervention, that gives us straight off the bat a nice wick to go test over there and fill. So again, on the 30 minutes, we can see this. If we start holding at this daily pivot, for example, if we trade back up to Asia lows, if we break through, again, very easy to trade for Asia highs and go for those untested, so we can go fill that. But if we can resist Asia lows, very easy to see us take out the lows and then trade all the way back down and go for that fill on the wick all the way to the weekly resistance. So I'm going to be actually looking for the sells there. I'll be waiting for a pullback to UJ, to Asia lows. Then over to EJ. Again, very, very simple thing. Yeah, we obviously traded very bullish over here, but now slowing momentum down quite a bit. Obviously failing to go lower after this little resistance zone. Yeah, so playing that off, coming right back down, and then battling again to even get higher around. So that's what we're going to take note of. On the 30 minutes, we can just see that breaking here. So almost doing a little bit of a head start. We'll get an idea of what this is looking for. We are holding this 200. So if we fail to hold this closing back below the daily pivot and Asia lows, again, I'll be looking for those sells to the downside. Go take weekly pivot and also that little support zone at the bottom here. So we will be looking for that there, but if we can get above Asia highs, we'll look to go back to this resistance and continuation. So again, very, very much a reactive day. So we're just going to see what happens there. Then over to GJ. GJ obviously flying today with the pound. So GJ, funny enough, we will be looking for those buys. Again, I think this obviously can bring out a more intervention. So we just want to be careful about that being caught on GJ. But the 4 hour going back here again, tested, coming back down, holding the support level and breaking above. So honestly, I would like a bit of a pullback to the weekly resistance, see if that can hold and then continue to the top side. So on the 15 minute, we can see that over here. Asia highs also untested, so that's what we want to take note of. But obviously very, very hot results coming out of CPI. So pound, I think, is going to be very, very strong. But at the end of the day, I still think that's going to be our best bet if we can at least get a retest of that weekly resistance. Then over to the majors, EU, basically at this little zone over here for us now. On the 4 hour, we can see this. Obviously, at a level we found support and then the close of the initial breakaway. And then it's been tested again in the past. So we're failing to get away from it. Back up here now. Also a zone that's a little bit above Asia highs. So again, we can see EQ daily pivot in the middle of the range. So very, very good sign. We can see a possible flip come in for the day. So again, we'll actually be changing this, taking a bit of a neutral outlook. Purely as I will be looking for the buys. So it's not off the cards for me. What I will look for though is, again, first thing, Asia highs, Asia lows set, Asia lows tested and swept back above the daily pivot EQ. If we can get above Asia highs and a closure above this zone, I'll look for a retest to hold and then look to go long after that. Should also give us a nice move that we can either take purely just to the R2 or again literally all the way back up to that previous weekly key level. So we'll just see how volume plays out over there. And then GU, personally on the currencies, I think is the best trade for me today. Trading down below, failing to get away, 2 retests over here, not really being able to do much, and then again purely fundamental and technicals working out together. We are now breaking that little bit of structure again. So all I'd wait for, which I'd love for us, is probably if we can get a retest now on this 200, have that pullback, hold this key level, and then I will look to go long back to this key level over here, 25 or 100. So that's what's going to be the best play for me today. Again, technicals and fundamentals just linking up together. We saw what happened with gold last week when we did that. So this honestly will be my best play. So I really just hope we can get an entry on this. But that's what I'm going to look at there. And then lastly, guys, gold.
Oh, Chad, hold on, baby.
Gold is the interesting one, guys.
There we go.
So, again, I know I'm bearish on the dollar. Gold is a lot more. There's a lot of geopolitical tensions happening at the moment. But guys, I'm going to simplify this. The same thing I've been saying to you guys yesterday. We are stuck in a zone here between 23.64 and 23.91. As very simple as it comes, if I test the top side, I'm going to come test the bottom. If I'm at the bottom, I'm going to go test the top. If I'm there, back to the bottom, back to the top. At the moment, we're in the middle. So if we're going to be looking for an entry, where is the idea to be going? Back to the bottom. Because eventually, one of these are going to break and hold. If it doesn't, goes all the way back up and test, break, hold. So until we can get the one that can break and hold, that will get us out the range. But we're obviously going to go to one of the end sides. So at this point in time, we're actually going to be looking for the sells. And I know that sounds weird being that we are dollar strength. But again, if this can hold, now that's the thing, guys. We are over here. You can see this was a previous zone on the 30-minute where we had some consolidation and found support to continue. So if we literally where we are now can hold it, get back in the Asia range, I will consider the highs because again, same thing as everything else. You will see we have the daily pivot, EQ, right here in the middle, allowing for that. Our Asia highs technically untested, so we can see if we can get that break above, we can flip to go bullish and then go for that continuation to the top side. Again, now you got dollar strength and geopolitical tensions. Things can all line up to go bullish, but again, because of that, if we're talking range trading, I'm going to be bearish, but if we're talking technicals and fundamentals, we're going to be bullish. So end of the day, guys, the final result is I'm going to take a very much neutral stance, as you've seen on a few pairs that are just dollar related today. But very, very simple stuff. If we can break anything lower than the lows over here, because that is our 30-minute support level. If we can break lower than this, I'm selling. If we can get back into Asia range, I'm going to look to go long. Very, very simple one for us today. And that's basically it from our side.
Chad, sorry, man. You guys obviously got a lot of value. You got a lot of bang for your buck this morning. All you had to do was pay a subscription and a like. 51 likes. I feel that man left everything out there on the field today, Chad. That was a top-down analysis of notes. So drop a like there for my man Keegs. He didn't leave anything out there. Gold, I'm going to finish off gold. Markets are open and in motion. Round one, fight. Okay, gold, very simple for me, Chad. We've been ranging here. We've got that wick to fill, all-time highs. 23.72, that's the only number. Write that on your screen, write it on your hand, put it on your phone, put an alert there. 23.72. If we cannot hold above 23.72, coming all the way back down to 23.34. If we can hold that, then we are going to go long and strong. And 5-minute time frame, let's look at the 5. Beautiful. There you can see that key level. Very simple. Also lines up with what Keegan said. If we start breaking below here, then we're going to go back inside of the range. So very, very simple. Asia lows, daily pivot, 200 EMA. Then the next line of battle is going to be here. And then just looking at my grid, that's also very close to the daily flip. So if this thing starts to flip bullish on the daily, it is going to get interesting. 4-hour time frame. What do we have on the 4-hour? 4 hours, ugly, Chad. Not really the cleanest, but we're gonna see what we get, Chad. But that is it. 75 likes for myself and Keegan. Yeah, let me know, Chad, what do you rate the performance on that analysis? I feel like we really put it out there, Keegs. You left it all on the line there this morning.
All on the line.
Not ashamed to put his analysis out there. Chatadonia, baby. It's Wednesday, eh?
Wednesday, middle of the week.
Wednesday, almost 24 hours without a vape. I'm doing this set raw, no vape. It's It's going to be a good day. I've got the water here. I've got, I don't know what else I've got here. I've got a lighter. If we want to cry a little bit later, I've got this Halo water still prepared. How much TDS is in this? Less than 100. Alright, so not that much poop in this water, but we're going to have it. Okay, Chad, but let's get going here. Hope you guys are ready. Crazy rain in Dubai. Yeah.
Oh, that rain's crazy there. You know what the funniest thing there for me is this the fact that they made it rain and now they can't get it to stop.
Who made it rain?
The people in Dubai.
How do you mean they made it made it rain? That they
No, because everything in Dubai is man-made, they control their weather there. So they influence when it rains and when it doesn't. So I don't know exactly how it works.
Cloud
but
seeding.
They made it rain and now they can't get it to stop.
John Ray, as mentioned, I went to bed like once my son was asleep. I immediately went to bed just to get through the night. No vape was didn't catch me yesterday. Weirdly enough, it was fine. It was this morning. Once I was in the car taking my daughter to school, my hand was there in the center console, like thinking, where's the vape? And I'm like, bro, there's no vape there. So I just opened up the window and just took a nice whiff of the fresh air. Like,
how's Jeff doing?
Jeff,
as far as I know, he's doing well. What happened?
No, but Jeff took a cig this morning. Chad.
Oh, Jeff gave you a Chad.
Jeff took one. He didn't buy a box though, but what did I say? The mind is weak, but the spirit is strong. Or was it the other way around?
I think it's the other way around.
Keegs, do you think if Jayesh and Darren really have some marketing tact, send this to them, tell them they must stand outside and say, guys, look at this. Myself and my boy Jay Riz, we brought the rain. We make it rain in Dubai. Look at this, Chad. Once we leave Dubai, the rain will stop. Where we go, we just bring rain. But they won't. They're not man enough for that. Spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. Veronica, if I can like that, beautiful, beautiful. The body is weak, but the spirit. Mo, I think we need to chat, my bro. We need to chat. The flesh is weak, but the spirit is willing. Okay. Alrighty. Keeks, you're saying GU is looking good for you this morning,
Yeah, I'd love GU, bro. And it's giving me the pullback now, so I'm
You're waiting for that key level, 2459. I like it. Yeah, Chad, let's see if we can grab something here. Volatility is definitely here this morning. Volatility is turned up.
Come on, Moski, give us a signal there, brother.
You can do it, Mo. Motive saw that as well. Yeah, sorry, Motive. Sounds like something Grandma said to Grandpa. Salam, Jane Safwan Liman. Alrighty, Chad. I'm liking EJ Keeks. EJ.
What longs?
Yeah. I don't know. It just suits my eye the way it is busy operating here.
You can do it, Mo.
Moski. Where's Mo? Bring that signal. What is he saying? Nothing yet, boys. Chad.
No, Mo, but I need a recovery signal, bro. Doesn't matter if there's not. You need to give me a recovery signal. That's how it works. I ask a signal, I get a signal.
Hey Jeff, can you please check on Aussie dollar franc because I want for sell on it.
There's no Jeff here, bro.
No Jeff here today, my brother. It's only Chris and Keegan. But we'll look at that Aussie franc. We're ready. Aussie franc is if I have to put it to something that maybe I've not experienced, but what I think it could be. Aussie franc is that wife that you've been married for maybe 18 years. It's not a bad marriage. It's like she makes the food, you guys go about your business during the day. You maybe have sex twice a month. It's not great, gets the job done. That is Aussie franc for me. That's what I see it to be. You stay in a middle class home. Your grass always gets cut. On the weekends, you're relatively bored. Your wife's not ugly. She's not hot, but it's that weird. It's just a weird thing. But let's look at Aussie franc. Let that sink in. Aussie franc.
NZ. Apologies for CPI publishing error. Did you guys see this big blunder this morning? What a mess. Did they publish the wrong results?
Wait. Stats New Zealand.
For New Zealand's CPI results.
Damn.
Bro, that, you know how many accounts that must have screwed over?
That is. You think guys are going to ask for a refund?
A positive CPI results. Guys, we buy in NZ. And then you get clapped because it's actually completely lower in a miss.
Okay, let's look at AUD franc. This is what you don't want your marriage to ever be. Okay. Weekly. You can see that we are pushing bullish on the weekly. You can see that we took out the last lower high. We had this nice impulse leg. Now doing somewhat of a pullback. So basically it's bearish on the week, taking out last week's low. Interesting thing now is that the monthly pivot is here. So very interesting. Daily 200 EMA, monthly pivot. So this is a massive level, my brother. If you are going to trade it daily, still there's a lot of selling pressure here. Let's check the 5 minutes. Okay, Chad, there you've got it. Very simple. 80 is trying to continue bearish. It is trying to continue bearish. It's relatively range bound here. So very interesting. Still within the Asia range. Asia lows have been tipped. Asia highs also relatively tipped. Half round number here. Okay, so I'm going to say very simple for me. Longs above the Asia high, because then we've held the daily pivot. We've held the half round number. Could go long. Otherwise shorts from here if we cannot hold above the daily pivot. So very simple. Good luck with that, brother. This thing, let me look at, you see this move yesterday, that's maybe like 5 pips. Okay, it's 24 pips, but Aussie franc, get it off your list. If I can give you any advice, my brother, Aussie franc is just gonna frustrate you. Okay, Chad, let's see. Shuffle is ending in 40 seconds. Then we can start.
I might take GU, eh?
Okay. Keeks, just let me know. I'm ready to transition. German 40. Yeah, they actually deleting German 40 at the end of the week. Said it's untradeable, so just make sure you close all of your positions. German 40 is getting removed, unlisted. Gold, please. Gold, sell, buy. Okay, gold. Yes, buy or sell, Vince. Definitely a buy or sell.
Guys, I'm gonna take a shot at this.
Hey,
Because
sure.
we got the retest,
Sure,
close
sure.
above.
Okay, there you go, chat. There you go.
We're gonna
Boy
go
not.
15 pip stop.
Boy not playing it this morning. You said you want your powder wet, Chad.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happens there, guys. If this thing starts getting any closures below this key level, we can obviously kill it. But yeah, otherwise this thing should just pump, take out those highs now. You've got your pullback. So let's see what happens. Yeah, DXY at the same time tested Asia lows with a close below. So yeah, let's see what this can do for us.
Keeks with a young rumple stumple there on GU. Keeks, you can do it. May that position just do absolute work for you this morning. GBP USD bullish, mate. No, that's a buy. Don't short GU. Okay. Buy gift. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Wait, you saying that now?
Vince.
Alright.
Vince is a young rumple stumple himself this morning. Alrighty. Okay. Chad, I'm just looking at EJ here this morning, and then the rest, trying to make sense here of DXY taking Asia highs, taking Asia lows. In US 30, Asia lows, daily pivot. Let's see. Definitely there's gonna be a session here this morning. Just need to make sure. Okay. Chad, I'm just gonna go real quick. You guys are with Keegan on this. Enjoy it, Chad. Enjoy that adrenaline. You guys put some risk on the table here. That's why we trade. That feeling you've got now, that little dopamine rush, that where you don't know, are you going to be right, are you going to be wrong? That's the feeling you need to enjoy. That's the feeling you chase without you even knowing it. But I'll see you guys now.
We're gonna see what happens there with this pair today, Chad. Dude, I can't even think when last I traded GU. I'm chowing oats, bro. My brekkie. Some oats for brekkie. Travel wild show. It's long. I'm not in a cell, bro.
Okay, Chad. Yen pair is flashing now. Let's check here. Obviously, some young BOJ tweeting.
BOJ.
The
The Yen is taking shots.
Yeah, BOJ members feeling cute. Might delete this a little bit later, but ready to nuke some retail accounts.
The guy's taking some shots there.
I wonder if they tell their friends, like, hey, is it full? Holy smokes, okay. Beautiful. This button is short. It's fun. Yeah, I don't check it. I don't know. Okay. This button, yeah, I think, but my button is this button is fun.
Scroll down.
It's just
Scroll up. Scroll down.
yeah, it's good. Thanks so much. That is incredible. All right, so Chad, did you buy?
Yeah, it's a buy, guys.
It's a buy. Lovely buy profits off German 40. Beautiful. Good morning, G's. Let me start by saying amen. Beautiful, Major. Good to have you here today. Congrats on 7K subs. No, we need to congratulate you guys for subbing, for supporting. So a big shout out to all of you guys. As mentioned, we are just facilitators here. This channel is that of the community. We don't take ownership of it. This channel is for everybody here. And that is why it will grow. That is why 10K very, very soon. Because it is not for ourselves. It's for you guys. It is for you guys. It's for us. It's for everybody. And that is why it shall grow. And why it shall continue to flourish. Yeah, Chad, still nothing from my side that I'm looking at. One thing that I am looking at is US 30. If we can get back inside of the Asia range, I'm potentially looking long. And then gold at daily pivot 23.82. I'm monitoring that as well. So, but the 80 is bearish though. So 80 falls in line with Keegan's theory of the shorts today. Okay. Guys, I'm not the only one who trades his 350 social grant. All my 350, I've been funding my account with it. Hey, brother, may that be a beautiful story once you really make some bank. I want to send a gift to Chad and Keeks from Pakistan. Hey, Samad, feel free to send it, my brother. Send Bitcoin, Samad. No, I'm kidding. Hey, Chad is not serious. Trade current space with your... Okay. Back in the day when it was a thing here about our side, I used to do that. Good morning, 2Gs. Ben John, good morning, my brother. GBP USD will be selling the whole week. The dollar is gaining momentum and 8 o'clock hour candle close below the 7 o'clock. Alright. Yeah, brother, it's if it's selling, you sell it. Keegan is trying to buy it, so end of the day, it is your trade. That trade is Keegan's trade. He's happy with it. He's comfortable with it. If you're not comfortable with it, you must be selling it. So please do not ever what we do here try and change your plan. Obviously you've got a plan. So Chris, I'm trying to buy a funded account, but it keeps giving me an error. I was wondering if there might be a problem. Adrian, I think you might be banking with Capitec. That could be the issue. We'll have Capitec by next week, Chad. Sorry. The guys from the States, our developers, are honestly, I sent them a very long message over the weekend. Because Capitec should have been up and running months ago. So we will. Alrighty, Chad. Euro Yen. Get Euro Yen ready on your PCs. We might be executing here very shortly. Very shortly, we might be taking some longs here, Chad. EJ longs, baby. I'm with F&B, Adrian. Send me a WhatsApp. Not a WhatsApp. Send me a Instagram message. Let's see if we can...
guys, just a heads up, if this 15 closes back in the range, I'm happy to kill the trade.
Alrighty, chatty, Donia, baby. Day 2 of no vape.
Hey.
Day 2 of no vape. Big congrats for the 7K. Gideon and Mwita, thank you so much, brother. Feeling so good, I can smell a lot of things now. Keegan, what is that? The Brute, but the Musk one, eh? You're using Brute Musk. Chad, some of you that's still single, I'm going to give you the cheat code, Brute Musk. That is the one. If you're still single, I'm not saying that's what you must use. I'm saying that's why you're still single. It's the Brute Musk. It has been keeping gents single for many, many years. Brute Musk. Green one. Yo. Breathing air. Genre, feels so good. Just all of this oxygen. I just feel it's a cheat code not vaping because I feel so healthy and just ready.
Is that what it is?
Just ready to make some good choices here today. I'm single from 20 years. Some mud. It must be the Brute Musk. That is, damn, bro, that Brute Musk. Why do you think your parents bought that for you once you reached puberty? They wanted to keep you single, my dudes. But the Musk one, not the original. The original, you'll pick up some 5s and 6s, but the Musk, you're not picking up anything, my bro. Musk. Oh, it's brown now. Damn, my dude. The brute.
Alright, guys, I'm going to kill the trade. Closed under the zone again, so we're out the trade. You can always re-enter if we get a break again later, but I'm killing that there.
Alrighty, Chad.
So we are down a little. What's that? 6. Let's just even say 7. 7 pups.
Okay, 7 pips, Chad. I'm looking at EJ here, Chad. Hope you guys are ready. This is the Brute Musk play brought to you by the 2Gs, Vault Markets and Vault Funder. What we want to see here is this young Brute here. I want to see if we can hold this key level. Maybe a nice little retest there. Yeah, and then a break. Chad, I was on that Brute. Believe me, my dude. The Keeks, be honest, bro. You also on Brute at one stage. Brute is like the introduction towards the deodorants. It's like,
bro, I must say, like,
it's like your puberty starter pack.
Yeah, like I like collect colognes and stuff. So when it came to those things, bro, I was going through things. I tried them all, guys.
Brute Musk. Oh my goodness, Chad. Brute. Damn. Chris, don't forget about the Oaks in Love with the... dude, I was never on that Playboy one, eh?
That was cock.
No, I was never... I was always the Axe. Axe was almost like a staple. Then the Brute. And then there was another one. Also this green one. It was... what was it called? Flip, I'm gonna get the name now. There was another one. I'm on Old Spice now, Dylan. I'm that Old Spice guy. English Blazer was the other one. Damn, bro. English Blazer smelled like burnt leather seeds and whiskey, my bro. Whoa! Keegs, English Blazer, my bro. Legacy, yeah. I think it was Legacy. Legacy, let me check. Bro, English Blazer smelled like horse saddles and cocaine and cigars. Bro, is your chick a horse? You only get horses with English Blazer, my bro. Nah, Chad, you guys aren't ready for English Blazer. Damn, we're gonna get to that now. English Blazer. Give me 1 second. I can already smell this, Chad. English Blazer, but I'm talking about the old ones, Chad. This is the new ones. They had like this almost mustard color, mustard and English Blazer. Damn, what? There was another one you guys said. English Blazer Legacy. Legacy. Let me see. Is it Legacy? Legacy.
Yeah, I also remember Legacy.
Let me see. There it is, Chad. Legacy. This is the young puberty starter pack. They start you off with the Yardley Legacy. This one, yeah. Then they start you off with the Brute. And then if your parents were a little bit spicy, they said, bro, we're going to get you the Axe. Maybe there was like the Axe chocolate or whatever. And there you go. You ready for puberty, my dude?
Yo, bro, but those Axe chocolate adverts were always classic.
Sure, dude.
Turning the men into chocolate.
That was your puberty starter pack. Beautiful. Beautiful. I laugh now because I like Chad, I hope my wife is watching. She can tell you. So after I shave, I still have that old school aftershave from Old Spice. Keeks, the white bottle with the red little plug.
Yeah.
So it's that old school one. That thing burns you up, my dude. And then after I've shaved and I put that stuff on, and my wife is like, dude, you smell like a pedophile. You smell like a grandpa. I'm like, that's not the smell I was going for. But the thing is, it's good for your skin, that alcohol. Oh yeah, solo. There's it. Etienne. That was the money. Solo was a staple, my dude. The Solo deodorant, bro. There it is. The beauty about, there's it, Chad. Solo. The nice thing about Solo, Keeks, you 100% had this, bro. Yeah. Solo was a staple as well. The nice thing about Solo is it's a very neutral deodorant. It's almost like a colored guy in South Africa. He can be with black people and white people. It's just straight down the middle. It's like the rainbow. If you think about the Rainbow Nation, Solo is that. That is what Nelson Mandela came to do. White people, black people, yellow, pink, whatever it is. This is democracy in a bottle right here. You guys ever think, how can I put into words what democracy is, what the Rainbow Nation is? It's Solo original. There it is. I'm done. My friends thought, Slashy, the thing is, Solo is just it's a foundational pivot for deodorants. Like, it will never be frowned upon. And then you had this bottle. This was like, it's not long, it's not too wide, it's just nice and chunky. You feel like you can go on a 2-week trip with this and you'll be fine. You'll still have some left to borrow your friend. But yeah, Solo. Damn, Chad. That was the one. Thanks, Etty. Black Gravity.
Sure, that I don't know.
I think I know the Black Gravity one. Let me just see, Vince. Black Gravity. That is when you were trying to be a little bit on the wild side. I don't even know how to spell deodorant, my bro. Deodorant. Is that how I spell it? Vince, I've seen it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna act like I've never seen the Black Gravity. I think you have to be in a certain point in your life for you to pick this up. You don't just go and pick up the Black Gravity. Like, chat to me, Vince.
I must say I have seen it. Yeah.
I've seen it, but Vince, chat to me. Are you right, bro? That's the type of conversations we need to have 24/7.
Did you take EJ?
No. I'm waiting for that retest. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm just waiting for that young retest. I'm liking the buy side, but I just want to see if we can get a young retest. Yeah. Keeks, but what is your go-to now? Like just the deodorant, not a fragrance or like a perfume, just like a bottle of deodorant.
I think, bro, like, honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. I think the last deodorant I had is that English. I think it's English Blazer.
Really?
I think that was the last one I bought.
Shit, my boy.
Just for that, like, fresh smell. Yeah.
Okay.
Thing is, as I said, I'm
English
very much,
Blazer.
Yeah.
Show.
I think it's English Blazer.
Chad.
What is? Let me just search. What does that look like again?
Chad. And how's your sex life? Alright, with the English Blazer.
Yeah, it is English Blazer. Yeah.
Okay.
But my thing is, I barely wear deodorant. That's like, I just put deodorant on for like the gym.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then perfume. Like, what do you use?
Yo, bro. There's a lot.
Really? I only have 3. So there's I use the Dolce and Gabbana, the
Yeah.
King.
Hey,
one.
I feel that one, bro.
yeah,
I
yeah.
got that, baby. Hey.
Then I use the Paco Rabanne, the Black XS.
Okay.
And then I use the what's the one? Jean-Paul Gaultier. The I think it's the Ocean one. Jean-Paul. It's more like a softer. It's more like this one, yeah. The Le Mail, the blue one. So those are the 3. I like the Dolce and Gabbana one. The King is very solid. The DNG King, that's the other one. DNG King. This one, yeah. Very, very solid. And then the other one is Black XS. I like Paco Rabanne's stuff. They've got a...
The thing is, I just see, sorry, because the Pocket Rabanne, the guys, the 1 million is nice, but it's just so overdone. So every guy has it.
Yeah, so those are the only 3 I ever use.
Yeah, so my dailies is Azaro Most Wanted, the Dolce & Gabbana one, the same one, King. Then I've also got the Versace. Which other one? I'm trying to think of the top of my head, yeah. I think those at the moment are like my dailies, and then like my going out is the Gucci Intense Oat. That's my baby. I love that thing. And then obviously I've also got the Dior Sauvage, but that's just like a fresh smell. I mean, I think every guy, if you collect colognes, will have Sauvage in your collection. That's just like a go-to, but yeah.
I was never a fan of Izumiyake. I had their one. It was that flat bottle that almost looks like it's twisted. That long. Let me just check. Izzy. I never. Yeah, this one. I never. I don't know. It was too. I don't know. Too sweet for me. It was too sweet.
Right, hold on.
Wait. Okay, US 30 chat. Sorry, man, when Keegan was still in that trade. I'm just going to check here if we can get back in the Asia range. I want to go long on US 30. And then, obviously, EJ. Let's see if we can first get that retest and hold. Then I'm going to go long on this baby as well. So just keep that in mind. Gold as well. I want to see if we can get above that level for... No. Gold is a no-go for me because I'm technically looking long, but the 80 is bearish. No.
Bro, but you must see the next one I actually want to buy for my collection soon is, I don't know if you've checked it, is... the Tom Ford, fucking fabulous, bro.
Tom Ford, why does it sound so?
That is like the next on my list. It is so good.
Tom Ford. This Tuscany leather.
Nah, fucking fabulous.
Oh, is that?
It's called that.
Oh, really? Sure,
Yeah.
sure. That's quite bold. That's quite bold. Are you sure?
I promise.
Sure, bro. I can't even spell it, yeah.
I promise you it's called that.
Damn, bro. Tom Ford, what are you guys busy with? The young F fabulous. I like the bottle, the look of it.
Yeah.
I like the look of it.
It's one of the all-time favorites. Yeah, Michael, bro, it is so good. It is so good. Have you used Dior Sauvage? Yeah, okay, then I said it. I've got it in my collection as one of them.
Okay, let's check here. EJ, Chad. There's US 30. Big question how is first time breaking back. I want to see a retest.
You know,
I
actually,
need
which
to see
another
a
one which
retest.
was good. Hold on, let me just gauge that quickly. It was one of their new ones. They released it, I think, 2 years ago. Hold on, let me get it here. Was actually, I bought it, I had the bottle, finished it, and I actually haven't bought it again yet. But it is so good.
164. Chad, I'm just going to set some alerts here for us on EJ so we don't miss it. Key level. If it runs, Chad. Don't get FOMO. If you want to chase it, by all means, chase it. There's absolutely no need to try and chase that. There is so many opportunities here today. And then US 30 gonna set some alerts as well. 37,833. That is where we Asia low. Okay, there we go. Nivea Men. That's a fresh smell. Keeks.
Oh, the Dolce & Gabbana, the one.
The one.
Also very good. It was one of their new bottles. It came out, I think, 2 years ago.
Dolce & Gabbana, the one.
Also, as a daily, very nice.
I used to love Hugo Boss back in the day. The one that looked almost like a hand grenade. That clear bottle with the green cap.
Yeah.
That was also a very good scent.
Yeah.
Slash
always say, bro.
shield killer. Hey, guys, we buying except US dollar. Yeah, we're expecting dollar to pull back somewhat. That's why we're not. I'm not too sold on dollar strength for the rest of the day. Could be wrong, but that's why I want to see. I want to see indices pull back. So just gonna wait for that pullback here.
Bro, so hold on, sorry. Muzamal mentioned that I've been wanting to get my hands on it for so long, but I literally can't find it. Is Creed. I've been wanting to get Creed so badly. I just can't freaking find it anywhere. I don't know who stocks it in South Africa.
I've never heard of it. Oh, is it a cologne?
Yeah.
Okay, Creed. It sounds like
Michael,
did
you get it?
fornication and divorces and broken up marriages.
Michael, did you get it now when you're overseas or when you're in South Africa? Because as I said, I don't know who in South Africa I got it in Dubai. Yeah, I don't know who in South Africa sells it. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to just import it.
I got it in Dubai. USD ZAR, don't look at it. That thing is a menace. Don't look at it. Save your soul and look at something else. USD ZAR.
Bro, I think I've heard of it. I'm not gonna lie, I think I have heard of it.
Okay, there's that gold. I don't know what gold is doing.
You can do it, Chris.
Ooh. I'm gonna buy US 30 as soon as we get this retest.
Oh yeah, even the let's kind of for me as well for gold.
I'm gonna either buy US 30 or NAS. NAS, there's the level I'm looking at, Chad. Very simple. Needs to hold above there. Clean cut, simple. EJ, it's just bumping and grinding here, Chad. I want to see that retest because again, this is a key level. We've been talking about this level since yesterday. I cannot just take a breakaway trade. I need a break, a retest, continuation. So if it runs beautiful, we'll catch it at Asia highs. If not, we'll catch it here off the key level. So Just patience, Chad. Yesterday we waited as well. It is tough to wait, but sometimes it pays to wait. Chad, but here's the thing. If some of you boys are serious about the deodorant and grabbing chicks, let me and Keegan drop you into a secret here. The undies you wear for your gym session before you go out, you use that and you rub it all over your face. All of that pheromones, all of that testosterone, that sweat, that is what the females want. They don't want these clean smells. Geeks, just back me up here.
Oh, bro, they want that male dominance.
That male dominance, but not like a 2-hour gym session, Chad. Just that little pump session before you go out. I'm not talking about when you do your cardio, all of that. You won't even get into the car. The boys will throw you out. Just that little pump. Take that, rub it over your face. You can even put that in your pocket, Chad. Just let it hang out a little bit. Let that fragrance linger. That's how you pick up chicks. Can ask my wife. No, I'm kidding. She'll say, yo, this guy can talk a lot of BS. Okay, there we're getting that read. Just kidding.
Boys on another mission here today.
Keeks, but do you think some of the younger oaks, if we sat them down and said, bro, try this, I promise you they will try it.
They will try it, bro.
Dude, I promise you.
They will.
If you can be a fly on the wall, you'll see those boys. But what did Keegan say? Did Keegan say we need to do cardio as well, or just like weights? And then a message to Keeks, just a light cardio at the end. And then Keeks will be like, no, bro, just weights. Cardio is going to put that scent off. Eti said he's going to do it. Where's Eti? Oh, Chad, baby. Come on, man. That's beautiful. We're just waiting here for our setups. Nothing wrong with having a laugh, having some fun. Life is already so serious.
Mark Martins, it's called FX calculator, bro. On your app store, FX calculator, it can work out your stop loss and lot sizes, all that for you.
I don't know. We can ask Ainsku. Ainsku, what do the ladies do? What do the ladies do? I don't know. I've been married for, is it 15 years already? No, man, can't be. No, it's not 15 years. Is it? No, 20. No, it's like 12 years. Damn, Chad. Some of you guys can't even stay in a relationship for 12 hours. Yeah, I'm pushing on to 12 years married. In the relationship for like 17 years. Let's see what Ainsku says. Nope, ladies don't do anything. They just wait. Keeks, what are you looking at? Bro, how's that Tom Ford 6.5 Gs, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Huh? How?
That's the 50. The 100.
How though? What is that? 6.5.
Right.
Damn. Tom
8.5 for 100 mil.
Damn, bro.
Like, bro, 30 mil. He's 3.8.
Nah, Chad, I'm not paying that for.
That's why I said it's next on the list, bro. Like, that's not coming now. Man needs to hit some TBs here.
Steve. Steve's been at it for 22 years. Damn, Steve. 22 years, my bro. How do you keep it spicy there with the wife? That's why that's the question I always ask, is how do we keep that sex life going, Chad? That's the real question nobody's asking. And if you're not married, you can't have sex, so you're not part of this conversation. This is for the married people. You gotta have this, Chad. We can have these sex chats and stuff. You guys need to put a ring on that finger, you fornicating young dudes. That is the real question the boys need to ask.
To keep the spice, you need to swing.
No man, lost in Seoul. No, brother. No, brother. Sex rings. Oh, Chad. I'm married going for 6 years. No, Vince, you're still in the early phase. Your sex life should be strong. If it's not strong at this stage, it's too naughty. I can't tell you. Hey, Ensku, I studied psychology. Any need some tips? Yeah, tips how to keep the sex life going, my bro. Keep the spice with Old Spice. Nah, Chad, we honestly, I hope my wife does not get mad at me, but I have to educate the youth here. When you just get married, sex life is great. A lot of sex, it's beautiful, and then later on less sex, and then you get to the stage where both of you you almost need to mentally psych yourself up. It's like, damn, bro, is this sex gonna be worth staying up that hour later? Like, I am a little bit fatigued. Are we gonna maybe swing it over to the weekend, Friday, Saturday? It's been like 2 Saturdays. It's already 2.5 weeks on. That's the type of mental conversations you have. It's like you really need to weigh the pros and the cons. Like, am I rather gonna sleep? Most of the time, you rather sleep. It depends. At the end of the day, it's about how much you want it to work out. It always comes down to how much you want. Chris, can you check my chat up there, please? Checks. Let me check here for you, brother. You don't mind copying and pasting it down here. Chris, you mentioning the Devil's Tango way too much for someone who didn't dance last night. Bro, I honestly didn't dance. If I had a dance last night, I think I would have been in a trade by now. But no dancing for me. I know Keegan didn't dance as well. This man's back is broken in half, so...
Nah, bro.
The only thing he was dancing is a pain pill and sleeping. What did Jex say? Jex said something. Naz Underdaily. Okay, Jex, thank you for bringing it back, my boy. Naz Underdaily pivot and Asia lows valid for sales. No. Jex, here's my thing. If you look at Nasdaq and you look at all of these lows, look at what the 80 was doing. So the 80 was continuously pushing back to the upside, and you can consider this a liquidity sweep where we made a new low on price, a new weekly low, but the 80 made a new high in the last 48 hours. So no, be very careful. I'm not saying it couldn't work, but I am very, very careful. Once the market starts diverging like this, it can be very, very aggressive to the upside. That's why I'm looking for that potential buy. So just be very careful, Jex, if you're gonna short it. Nothing wrong with the short. I don't want to talk you out of a position, but I just need to remind you that it could get volatile there. Alright, chat. Seems like EJ, we're getting that retest. Keegs, anything you're looking at, my brother?
Honestly, there's gold, and I'm two minds about UJ.
Okay. What do you want to do with UJ?
Still go long.
Long. Okay.
Well, thing is, I'm actually more like the sales look so good, but I do want to go long on it.
Okay, Chad. Keegs wanting to go long. Okay, EJ, Chad, there's that test. Let's see what she does. Just needs to hold there. Yo, I think it's that last bit of lung batter that wants to get out now. Injured sex is the hey. Listen to Young Sexual Chocolate here, Forex Insights SA. Man took some back shots. Alright, things are just going sideways here. Was looking if I was seeing the right thing. Awesome stream, at least we're learning and taking us, guy. You guys said Carl James is solid, but would you recommend him as a mentor?
Oh yeah, that's what we mean when
I
we say
really
solid, guys.
need a good one. I'm desperate, guys. Giddy, what do you need though? That's the thing. You say you need a mentor, but what do you need? What do you need really? Maybe it's not a mentor. Think about it. What do you really need? Somebody say, oh, I need a mentor. Maybe you don't need a mentor. Maybe you need to sit yourself down and actually go through what you've been doing for the last month, 2 months, years, whatever. A lot of you think you need a mentor. You're actually sitting with all the tools, all of it. You just need now to put it into something that makes sense. So some of you don't need more information. Some of you don't need more guidance. You don't need more strategies. That's why I'm asking it, Kitty, because a lot of people can take value from that. A lot of people think they need a mentor. You don't need a mentor. You need a wake-up call. That's what you need. You need to be shook a little bit, and you need to go and sit down and start from the start. The main reason why a lot of you say you need a mentor, because you think a mentor is going to put the work in for you. You don't want to sit and do the work. That's why it's like, oh, I need a mentor, because the mentor is going to get excited to put in the work, to put in the hours, to journal, and I'm just going to be here from the side. Yo, go Keeks, go Chris, you guys are doing well. Where's those signals? I'm ready to eat. That is the reason why you say you need a mentor. Okay, Chad, let's check your gold. Oh, gold. Yo, gold is so volatile as of late, Kicks. Yeah. Like $5 is not even a... You can't even feel safe with a $5 stop. Chad, okay, it's starting to break. Only thing is that 80 is still bearish though. I don't like that. I don't want no part of that bearish 80. US 30 just running. How many points is this thing up already? 47. Nasdaq. Okay. Chad, I still like this EJ trade. hourly closed 4 minutes ago. Let's check that hourly, ugly. Alright, let's check the 4 hourly. Alright, 4 hour, not that clean. 30 minutes, also back into this range. So let's see, 5 minutes. Yeah, Chad, so very, very simple here for me. If we can create some type of resistance, maybe just pull back continuation. Otherwise, we are just going to take the continuation trade from here. That's going to be the session high after the open. So very, very simple from a risk management point of view. Wherever we close, if we execute, we don't want to see any bearish candle closures go against us. We just want to see this thing drive. So it's going to be very easy to manage risk. So once we start breaking these session highs and we execute, we just want to see that thing absolutely skyrocket. So very, very simple here for me. I'm going to throw over to Keegan's screen. Keegs, I'm just going to wee real quick, so just keep the guys busy.
Here the daily pivots. Yeah, so that was nice. Break above bar, and that played out perfectly. But yeah, basically really since that worked. We'll just leave that there if that sell comes in later. Still, guys, I've got my eye on this. So if we can get a re-break of this key level, I'll take a shot at it again. So GU looking good. The same thing with GJ, guys. Honestly, watching GJ, obviously it's the same thing. So pound. If we can get pound strength, I just personally don't like. I mean, you are right here, so you can trade like all the way back up to here. That is your all-time highs. Yeah, all-time highs. So yeah, we just gonna have to see what happens there. But yeah, GJ also looking good. Right of now, nothing wrong with GJ as well. So GJ is looking good. GU, I'm hoping can come to the party as well. But yeah, GJ, if we may take a break of these highs, we can aim for something, because yeah, there's the all-time highs over there. So we'll just see what happens here, Chad. GU battling. What's this? Avex caught the gold longs. Yeah, I'll say, guys, we had it set up there. I just didn't take it, as it was super clean there. Close above bar. Keys, we take a gold buy if you get a retest. I don't know about a retest and taking it, bro. I won't lie. I don't know how I feel about that. I must say I'm quite locked in for the pound, bro. So I just need pound to start like coming to strength here. DXY starts melting. Pound, we golden, bro. So yeah, we're just gonna see what we can get in here on.
All right, Chad, baby. Okay, guys, 55 seconds. EJ, get ready. Kicks, I'm just going to put this off so we can...
Oh, sure, bro. You're going to go long on EJ?
I'm going to, as soon as we break this structure to the upside. What are you looking at? Anything you want to execute on now? Anything that you feel is ready?
I'll say to the guys, like, GJ is looking good for me, purely because obviously it still is pound and pound. So like I said, the same way if GU can re-break, GJ can break. My only thing is GJ doesn't have much far to go, then it's back at all-time highs. Where GU, for example, if we get a buy there, just as GU can start turning around big time. So it's just trying to decide.
Chad, we gotta wait. Gotta wait for that structure break. That wasn't on purpose. Gotta wait for that structure break. Put that into a song. Scale fix. Let's try this. Okay, there we go. Not. Why can't I zoom in more? Okay. Geeks gold. Yo, dude. Gold is a tricky one, because that 80 is continuously trading below the 200.
Yeah, so I said to the guys, the position we had where if it was a break above and bar, where it played out perfectly, but obviously I didn't take it. So, we just missed it. I said to them, I won't take the retest. Because for me, that retest, it shouldn't even be coming down. That should be the pump of volume. Went and tested Asia highs, so if it starts coming back, technically it can be rejecting off of Asia highs.
Keegs, please pin us link. Wants to learn, watch from. Thanks, Vince. Thank you so much. Let's pin that message. No vapes here. I can promise you, Chad. If I say, you can ask Keegan, there's not even a vape in sight. I haven't even said to Mo, hey Mo, can I get a pull on your vape? No. Here's the thing, if I still wanted to vape, I shouldn't have said yesterday, hey Chad, I'm stopping the vape if we reach. Then I should have just kept quiet, but no vape. But it was this other big guy yesterday sending me videos of him pulling big vapes. Kicks, I don't know if you want to just let the Chad know who that big guy is sending me.
Yes, guys, you must see. Just because the minute Jevon's joined the gym now the man's a groot man.
Has Jevon joined the gym?
No, not yet. He says he's going to join from next week.
Alright, it's the news coming out. This thing is starting to vibrate, as Mo would say. This thing is... when you check it, the price, the bid and the ask yesterday, he's like, bro, that thing is vibrating. Geez, will you consider NZD, USD buys? No, Dylan. None of those two are online now. The guys in New Zealand already had a day. They're sitting with their families watching some TV, already ready to go to bed, already in bed. And the US guys are literally the early risers, 4:15. They may be in the gym running. Already had maybe a protein smoothie. But for the normal guys that hate their life, that hate the 9 to 5, they're still sleeping, maybe even snoozing. So no, Dylan, maybe look at something that's currently traded, that's open, like the euro, pound. JPY is not open. That's why UJ is maybe not the best one now.
Bro, you know what I just thought about?
Chat to me.
Have you noticed something about Darren and his posts?
Wait.
They're in Dubai, right?
Yeah.
How are they the only people that are seeing sunshine outside? Everyone else, it's a flippin' storm.
But I don't know.
I was just thinking about that now.
So there's no storm where they are.
Yeah. Hey, the boys.
This drip is immaculate. We're not the same.
Guys, I'm gonna take a re-entry on GU.
Wait. Are you in?
I'm in.
Your Chad, this man is reckless.
I'll say it, bro. If I got the break above again, I'm taking the re-entry.
Okay, Chad.
Wait, what was the entry price here?
Okay, it's on your screen, young man. Young man. EJ.
Same thing.
EJ is playing with us, Chad.
Did you enter EJ?
No, I'm
Still
waiting
nice.
for that break of structure.
You can do it, Chris.
Chris, I need someone to guide me because I've been doing this for the past 2 years and I still see little to no results. And I've sacrificed a lot of time and money. Okay. So you're looking for process. So the other word for guidance is process. You don't have a. So I'm gonna ask you, Giddy. Go join the Discord. It is So Giddy, what I want to ask you is join the Discord. Go under the education section and go through it from the top all the way down. And look at that. That's process. You don't need guidance. You need process because you've already have some knowledge. You just need a process that you can follow now. So start there. Don't waste any further money. Let's start there. Join the lives daily. Ask questions. Engage in chat with us. You don't have to spend more money. Throwing money at this problem actually is not going to solve it. Okay, 2 minutes 40 seconds. Chat, I'm looking at EJ, so I'm going to let you know. You guys shouldn't stress here. I'm looking at it. Whoa. This thing is looking ready. Oh. No. Calm down. Just hold the line. We just needed to hold the line here, Chad. Ooh. Seems like it does not want to hold the line here. Alrighty. Let's check here. EJ are for 3-4 pips. 11. 17. Okay.
All right, guys, there you go. Closing profits. We're in the blue screen.
2 pips locked and secured. Guys asking me about my negative RR. It's all about securing the blues. Yo, Chad, EJ just absolutely rumple-stumple here. 1 minute 22. Yeah, Chad. Sure. What is this thing doing? Chad, EJ, let's quickly look at it while Keegan's in GU for those guys that just joined. EJ, very interesting. Remember I said once we start breaking here, I want to see volume come in. Only issue now is we are already like 7 pips away from this breakout. And then also from there towards the daily pivot, we almost 22 pips, Chad. So is what it is. Okay. So I was hoping it was going to hold the line here somewhere. but it's already moved. So let's see. US 30 already at Asia highs. Let's check Nasdaq. Gold, okay, gold doing gold things. GU, alright, GU running above that key level. Let's see if we can get a retest. Euro not looking bad. Nice double test off that daily pivot level. Chad, let's see if I can get some type of pullback here. Okay. Yo, like at least a 4 pip pullback. That's all I want. Okay. No. Not gonna get it. Okay. There she goes. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, Chad. Nothing wrong with missing that. So all we're gonna do now is maybe a little bit later or even now, we're just gonna monitor this half round 164.50, and then we're gonna see how we trade at that level. GJ already back at the session highs. Euro USD making some moves here. What is gold doing? Gold, okay. Only thing I don't like about gold, I mentioned I want the longs, but this 80 that's trading below the 200, it's just a little iffy for me. I'll let it simmer, let it do its thing. But let's go back here to deep blues. Keeks, what is that? Deep, two pips deep.
Where's TP1? Let's just go here. Where's 1-to-1? Let's just mark it off here for us.
Sure, bro. I need to actually put this cream on my lip.
It's nothing but a peanut, Chad. Oh. It's my back's taking strain, yeah.
Oh, no. Calm down now. Calm down now. Take it easy, young man. Calm down. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, yeah. Sheesh. Yeah, that EJ, my bro. Tusk.
You're not in it yet.
No, it blasted through that level.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I can't take it there. Can't take it there, Chad. But there's still a lot we can do here today. There's still a lot. Let's ask Moski, what are you doing, my brother?
Mo's in EJ.
Is he an EJ?
He's probably just hit TP.
Really? They take it, yeah.
He literally, when I left, he was like 2 pips away. This is
Really?
being skyrocketed.
Where-
So he
where
probably
did
hit
it take
TP.
it? Yeah. Did it just take it, yeah? There. Yeah. Hey, Mo. This man is taking vibe trades, just vibing.
Just vibing.
Keys, you know what the right thing to do is at session highs. I'm just saying. I don't know anything about trading, but if I knew something,
Right.
that's all I'm saying.
Bro.
I'm just putting it out there. GBP news in 7. Call him to your desk, Bula. Moski, come chat to us, my brother. What was that trade? We did actually manifest these TPs here today. That's beautiful. Moski, come chat us. This man is going to be jovial. Whoa, look at that smile. That man is all smiles, Chad. You can't even if you wanted to ruin his day, you can't. Look at my boy smiling.
You don't have to ask, bro. You know.
I'm telling you, bro. Buy continuation B. So here's the thing. First of all, when I checked Notion, I realized all my trades have either been continuation A's or reversal A's. So over here, right? So we actually entered over here. Yeah. So we pushed through the first time, didn't hold. It came back, and then when it closed over here, just slightly above, I took it there. So I held the whole time. Remember, I'm making it a mission to really hold my trades. Yeah.
They break even now.
Yeah, break even.
Okay.
And
Beautiful.
so close. Yeah, I'll go check that side, but it's running beautifully, man. I'm glad I held it.
Are you feeling good?
I'm feeling good. Yeah, bro. Remember what I told you? Like, I'm gonna start trusting my setups. This was not a vibe trade, okay? Yes, sir.
Well done,
Shot, man.
Beautiful, beautiful. All right, Chad. Beautiful. Mo, there you have it. The man has been trading for, is it 5 months, Keegs? 5 months.
Something, yeah.
5 months just shows you still he's in this, let me put it this way. If he's going to start tuning some of these trades, he's going to do really well. He already started to eliminate the over trading. That's what was keeping him back. But for instance, like he was trading the one funded account for almost 3 months, gigs, like up, down, break even, down.
The fact, he hasn't blown that account.
Like some of you guys can't even trade a funded account for a day, and you nuke that thing. So for that man to be in the sandbox for this long, Chris, will you take the NAS long? Let's check it. Fabio, only thing is I want to see a retest though. The same with US30, we missed US30 there. I wanted to see a nice retest, brother, and we never got it. So Nasdaq again. I like the long, as mentioned. I like the long. If I can just get something that breaks out and just retest, even like a little young breakout retest, and then something like that, I'm happy to take it. If it just runs from here, I'm also happy to miss it. So I think you just need to choose your poison. Deep blues there for Keegan. Keegs, lunch on you, eh? What did you say? Sorry.
Yeah, bro.
Lunch on you. Okay. Keegan said he's going to lock in some wallet padders there. Some Big Macs. Big Macs. Where's gold likely to become bearish? Not at this stage. The issue is 57% of you are still bullish. So while that is still at 50%, it is not gonna go. It is not gonna go. Sorry, you guys are actually on the right side. Holy smokes, the chat 57 bullish. Alrighty, Keeks, chat to us. What are we doing there on G?
We chilling, bro.
Alright, so
chilling.
just chilling.
Once I'll say this 15 closes, we can even go break even. Just short of that. What's the name? Break even.
Alright.
After we take these highs, but other than that, yeah, we are chilling, bro.
Don't tell me I see a TP1. Is that a TP? Is that a TP1? Hey, I like it.
Right, this can be a swing
no,
trade.
No.
If we look, if we look at the 4 hour, the next key level. So if this is looking good,
No, look,
I'll take partials and I'm gonna let this thing run for there.
Bro, I'm 100% with you on the swing potential.
So that's why I'm saying TP1, because guys, if you want to take partials, that is TP. That's a 1-to-1. TP1's a 1-to-1. That is still 15 pips.
When does the VVIP group open up for the signals?
Yeah, guys.
TP1, TP2. Deep. Blues. Deep blues. Hi, Keegs and Chris.
Deep blues.
Hi, Keegs and Chris. Care to talk about your percentage gains for Q4 2023? and Q1 2024, just estimates. And Dorbo, sorry, my brother, the gains, I don't know why you want to talk about that.
Guys,
I'm more than happy to chat about it, but just let me know what is the almost want to say what do you want to get out of it? What is the value add if we talk about gains here?
guys, I'm gonna move to break even on that GU trade.
Okay, Chad, beautiful. I'm happy with that. As mentioned, once you start eating a session high, a daily high, Noble, I don't mind chatting about that, but just want to know what is the value. Do you want to chat about the effects Q4 had on us? Do you want to chat about talk to me in Noble. I don't mind chatting about it. Everything we do anyways is live, so all the streams are there. So if you guys want to ever go and do a third party audit, feel free to go and audit. I would actually love it if some of you can go from the start and audit the channel for us. Waiting for that VVV VIP membership. Hey Ben, you know it. That VVVIP coming very soon. But just watch out for the lifetime VVVVIP. Better hope Keegan stays alive for some time. Some of these mentors, I don't know, their lifetime is 2 months.
Guys, but in the meantime, if you are, we're gonna do the influence thing, yeah.
No, you can't. Wait. You
what do you mean?
need TP1 though. It's too early. You can't.
Who's the guy who did it yesterday when he caught these trade early?
No. Come on.
Hey,
Chat. Okay, I'm kidding. Let's go.
Hold on, fine. We'll wait. TP1
wait,
coming.
wait.
We'll wait for TP1, baby.
But please say the VVIP signals members eating.
I'll say it just for you, Chris.
Bro, but do you know how egotistical the trading community is? Like everybody, so now if you've got a group, you have to post this, then you have to say, we've been chatting about this GU longs for weeks, for months, and then you go into your group, and it's like, oh, the group is eating, and it's like, check the W's in the chat. W's in the chat there. Yo, bro, it just seems like a lot to market, Keegs. I don't know. What do you think?
Nah, that is a lot, bro.
It's always
That's
like this.
incoming, baby.
It's always like this dick measuring thing. The VIP signals eating deep blues. Deep blues. On the Discord, is there a video on how to use MetaTrader app and desktop? Monkey, there's so many videos, bro, but I'll try and do a video on it. I honestly thought I didn't think that is something Chad, I like Keegan's trade. So what I'm gonna do is on the 4 hour, believe it or not, on the 4 hour,
My boy gonna back me up here.
I'm gonna actually
Bring us the volume, Chris.
I'm actually gonna set a buy limit.
Sheesh. My boy stepping in here, Chad.
I'm gonna
Watch
set
the
a buy
volume
limit.
come.
A buy limit. The only shit is my buy limit is at your entry, so hopefully I miss
Don't
it.
you?
No, that's what I say. Hopefully I miss it. Only thing is though, it is a swing position, Chad. Let me just show you guys. What am I looking at here on GU? So you can see that a bearish structure, still bearish, everything bearish, but now if you go into the Discord, this is a reversal play because that last lower high, lower high there got taken out by this 4 hour. So now the expectation would be for us to start printing higher. Only thing is that if I want to swing this, almost a 60 pip stop, it's a bit heavy. That's why I'm going to try and grab it from that key level. Put a buy limit there for the swing. Then it's only 43 pips. If I miss it, I miss it. And I will then technically try and swing for the weekly pivot, which is 70 pips. So nice. What is this going to be if I get tagged in? 43. Oh, nice. 1.62% trade. That's if I get in Chad. So just waiting for this 4 hour to close. Hopefully you guys can lock it in way before then. TP1 has been hit.
It's coming in, baby.
What did Mo do? Where's Mo? TP hit. Oh my boy Mo. Mo, that is immaculate. Just absolutely immaculate, my boy Mo. Oh, Moski, beautiful. Beautiful, Mo. How are you feeling? I hope you're feeling good. You should be feeling.
Chad, hope you guys are ready. We're about to hit TP1, baby.
TP1.
Told you, I'll wait for you, Chris. I told you, I'll wait. I'll happily do it when it's TP1. There we go, Chad.
W's
TP1K, Chad.
Okay. To it.
All right, Chad. Send a W here. The VVIP group. We've been waiting months for this trade. Planning it, executing. And there we go. On stream again. The trade taken live with our members.
Is the lifetime members? Is that the lifetime VIP? How do I join this group, Keegs? I want to be part of this group, this minority of winners.
This is for a select few guys. We might be in the same industry, but we're different, baby. We are not the same.
Baby.
Oh boy.
I want that VIP signals. Keegs, how do I get part of this? This elite group of individuals that just wake up in the morning and just piss excellence first thing in the morning. Not even taking any hostages. Just straight up absolute killers, Chad. Guys that are hungry. Hungry, baby. It's not about that first entry, it's all about that re-entry, Chad. Some of you were down in that first position and Keegan said we're coming back.
Guys, the time could have been wrong, but the plan was never wrong. We knew what we had to do.
Sure. The plan was never wrong. The plan, the elements, consequences. The elements, Chad. It's all about the elements.
Perspective, guys.
Some of you guys haven't weighed up the consequences, but glad to see you don't chalk the horn as you threw away the vape ruler. No, the horn is still here. Just no more vaping. Gigs, but I'm serious. When does the lifetime signals launch?
Guys, I'm just trying to get it past the big boss here.
Okay.
He's been quite adamant on it, but we're just trying to get him past it.
Okay. But are we doing 2 Vs or 3 Vs? Is it VIP or is it just VVIP?
We're the VVVIP.
How much? Was that 3 times?
3
Sorry.
Vs.
Was that 3 Vs? Okay.
Yeah.
3 is intense, bro. I think once you start going
3 is the
5,
lucky number, bro.
once you start going 5, that's when
That's where things change.
I don't know. It's a different, different era. It's a different ball game, Chad. The more Vs, I think the more every V you add, you can add a 0 to your signal price. So you started off $50, 5K easy. 3 Vs. Guys, looking at Nasdaq, let's check here. Remember we talked about that break, so if we can get a retest here and a hold, be aware, looking for those longs. US 30 already back above Asia's. Never got that retest, so that is also fine, Chad. Don't stress about it. Gold doing a lot of work here now. For the first time, that 80 is starting to flip above the 200. Very, very interesting. Very interesting, Chad. GU just doing some beautiful work here as well. You guys are eating. Keegan, is the right word to say deep in blues?
Deep in blues.
Deep, okay, deep. What if you're in shallow blues? Is that like close to entry?
Yeah.
Shallow blues, okay.
You're in the baby pool.
But you guys are deep.
We deep, bro.
Okay.
We there in the
okay.
ocean. We fighting with the sharks.
Guys, it's deep in blues for the guys that didn't know. EJ never got the entry. Only thing is it was so extended already there. So very good analysis. Just didn't get the entry. Gonna go over to my boy Deep Blue here, Chad. Keegan will now identify as Deep Blue. So when you see him, just say, "Hey, Deep Blue."
Sheesh, look at it go, Chad. Look at that thing go. That's a track star. Look at that thing. That's an Olympic athlete.
Blue Blizzards. I like that. We love to watch your X all day, but my business, Mark slacking. But my business, Mark slacking hard. Sugi, beautiful. Thanks, Jason.
Cheers, brother.
Special one must be a GGGIP. Oi. Oi.
Right, Chad, as I said, I've taken some off the table. I'm literally just going to let it run now. So break even, and this time I'm going to let it run for that 25 or 100.
Deep, that's when you post your results and request more people to join. Okay, so that's almost like when you say, guys, I'm ready to accept more people.
Yeah.
Deep blues.
The deep blues.
I quite like it, deep blues. Chad, what I do like deep is a deep tissue massage after a long
Chad,
block.
13 minutes ago, top trader South Africa, Chris Market Bull drops tonight at 6.
Oh my sack. VVIP launching, Chad. Check that video. I'm actually giving you guys a discount code in the Top Trader SA VVV VIP. Hashtag Team Deep. Keeks.
Team deep, baby.
Team Deep. Always deep. Alright, Chad. It is Team Deep here, baby. Let's see it. Let me Chad, you guys know what I'm thinking. Hensku. Hey, baby. Hensku with a young dono there. Hensku, beautiful. Appreciate you guys. Oh, that's better. Hensku, beautiful. Thank you so much for the dono. That's what I want to be able to do, is leave runners and take some off the table. I know it sounds easy, but for starter traders, it feels like Einstein's work. Mikey, are you talking about on the PC or on the phone? Team Deep sounds so wrong. Always deep, Team Deep, bro. Ah, man. Hashtag Team Deep. Hearing you guys do the subtitles, not sneaky at all. Team Deep, baby. Keegs are gonna do that. Team Deep.
Team Deep, baby. We're also gonna get Lumo blue shirts.
Team Deep. that just sounds sounds sexual. Team Deep. No, man, stop this. On both, please. I tried it on the laptop and Android. Okay, bro. I'm gonna do you a solid, yeah. Give me 1 second, yeah. Give me 1 second, yeah. Give me 1 second, yeah. These are things that I always thought people knew. Are we still on Keegan's screen? Team Deep. Makes me think of that gospel song. How deep is your love? Okay, Chad, let's quickly check here. Okay, I've got a account here. Let's quickly. Are we still on Keegan's screen? Yeah. Okay. Monkeys, I've got you, my brother. I've got you. Hold on. I've got you, my bro. We're not gonna leave you hanging. We're gonna show you this thing how to leave runners. And the thing is, you're gonna be amazed. You're gonna be like, Chris, I cannot believe it is so easy. Why did I not figure this out many years ago? Alrighty, let's check here. Ah, beautiful. Okay. Monkeys are. I hope you're ready. Chad, let's do this. Is it not a gospel song? How deep is your love? Okay. Sorry. That's why I say you need to pray for me, Chad. Pray for me. Keep those prayers coming. No, man. I want to show you now. Maybe you're not thinking of the one I'm thinking about. Okay. Monkeys are. Let's quickly look at it. So, maybe I just need to reduce it a little bit so you can see. Wait, give me a second here. I just want to make. Oh my sack. Okay. Give me 1 second, monkeys. I just want to get everything nice and in the screen here. Okay, on the PC, let's take gold for instance here. Let me open up a 0.1 buy. Let's open up a 0.1 buy. And let's quickly check this out. So 0.1, there I've opened it. This is Vault Funders trading conditions, chat. This is what you guys need to deal with. Absolute pinpoint accuracy when executing. But anyways, don't shoot us for being the best in the industry. I'm just putting it out there. But anyways, 0.1. So monkeys are, we've got that 0.1. Now you want to say, let's say this thing was in profit and you want to close half of your position. Then what you can do is you can click on your position here. As it highlights, you left click, then you right click. Then you go to modify or delete, and then it's going to bring this up. So this is where you choose market execution, and thereby volume. You can choose the volume you want to close. So I want to close half, so I'm going to go 0.05, and then I go close, and just like that, 0.05 has been closed and the other 0.05 is still running. Now maybe you say, oh beautiful, this trade is going nicely, I want to take another 50% off. Again, left click, right click, modify, go to market execution, and remember we only have 0.05 left, so let's say I'm going to close 0.04, and we're just going to leave a tiny little runner. There's your last little position left, 0.01, and the rest there you can see it will actually show the volume that your original position was 0.1. You've closed 0.09 and you've got 0.01 left. Monkey, incredible. Did you take that in? Did you ever think it could be that easy? Chat to me. That is how simple it is. It is absolutely incredible. Keegs don't even know how to take partials. Keegs, do you take all of that in Team Deep, Blues?
Team Deep is growing, bro. We took that in.
Monkeys are, it is a pleasure, my brother. And then the other thing is on your phone, there where you go to close position, it's going to open up that screen and you can just change your lot size there and it will just close partials there. So I hope that helps, my brother. Look how easy trading is, just locked in $2 here. Just a light day at the office, $2 locked in here with Team Deep, Blue. Team Deep. I just open, alright Ben, there's a lot of ways to skin a cat, my brother. Opening up 2 to 3 positions is also an option. But what if you want to open up one position? What if you want to be part of Team Blue that does not barcode, but that actually practices prudent risk management? I've never heard of the Narkicker. Who's that? Chris, how's the EU sell? EU sells. Who said we are selling EU? John Ray, sorry my brother. How is the EU sells looking? No. No, EU sells here for me, brother. Oh, what do I think? Sorry. Genre, it's a little tricky here, my brother. The reason I say that is we've had instances this entire week. Let me just go to my screen here real quick. We've had instances this entire week where the 80 would trade above the 200, and during that time you would go into a little bit of a consolidation mode before the next drop, and then you get these very, very steep pullbacks where you can almost feel like I'm going into back into a bull market. And the thing is, though, if you think about it, the sells don't look bad, but then you think about it, it's Wednesday and we are already trading at the low of the week. We've already made multiple attempts to trade lower from there. So the question now is this now maybe the last time where you're trying to sell you're gonna get that fingernail maybe bent over. Have you ever clipped your nail and you go a little bit into the deep, Adele? Think about it. But anyways, maybe, sorry, John Ray, maybe this is the time now where that nail can be bent and cut very ugly. So I'm gonna say, if you wanna take that shot, if you wanna take that bullet, take it. Just have a very tight stop. Don't try and do like a 10 pip stop. If you've made some money this week, go with the short here. Take the short. Say, listen here, win or lose, just purely based off the probabilities. Looking back on the week, I'm going to give it a shot. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, it's been a phenomenal day. So, John Ray, I hope that helps. Inneslow Keegs, do you think gold will reject and continue down at the 1 hour resistance? That's for you, Keegs.
No. So my thing is, remember guys, I said to you this morning, like if we look at gold now, I said there's two things. You range bound. So as I said, this zone we literally marked out where the sell was. It was either going to turn around there on the 30 minute. We can see this was the area it held before to get the strength to continue. And caused quite a bit of consolidation there yesterday. So this was the zone where either we were going to break down here to continue lower, which obviously we didn't do. We held the support. Now this is the only time we've been trading. We found support in the middle of the range. So probability says if we break this now, we're going to be going back to the top. So back to like your all-time highs, your weekly resistance. So that 2400, for example, would be my first TP. 2400 flat. So that would just be my first level as a psychological level, and then obviously back to all-time highs at weekly resistance. Obviously this lines up with the idea that we are DXY bearish. So obviously this is all just pullbacks. You are at the S1. You are hitting at 200 now, so could come back, but we are more bearish on it. So again, it's just the outlook you're gonna have on it, honestly. But now I do think gold is probably going to remain bullish for now. Did the alert go over? Is there a break even? Okay. Yeah, guys, remember I have the alert there break even, so we are literally chilling in this trade. We took partials, so whatever happens there. But yeah, we'll just see what happens. Trade definitely, I think, really has the potential to go long. But, well, as I said, we'll just take it how it goes. DXY needs to just, obviously, we always talk about if we can hold the S1, most likely trade to the S2. So if this thing can get under there again, very, very likely for our trade. But who knows, maybe we look at GJ or something then. As I said, don't really like GJ, but again, that's a strong pound versus a weak yen, so kind of a no-brainer. But we'll just see what comes our way, guys. Gold, yeah, personally, I think it's just going to carry on from here. You're not going to get a rejection as of now. Major or live, bro. Yeah, Crystal TG's trading banner needs to be spaced out more interval. It flashes quite a bit. The trading banner needs to be spaced out more in interval. It flashes quite a bit. What banner are you talking about?
Major or live, bro. What is major or live?
Major, it is literally we do it on the stream live with you. So no, if we're looking at it, it's because we're looking at it literally live. Like we analyze it.
All
live.
of the analysis we literally do live with you. I don't know what Keegan said, but it's literally live. It's not a summing up. We're doing it as we would have done it on our own. What trading banner needs to be spaced out more?
Yeah, I'm not too sure on that one.
Sorry, Brian. If you can just be more clear and specific, so we can we can chat to the 2G's administration just to get that sorted out for you. Brian, please, if you can just let us know. Chad, as mentioned, your safety and your experience here with the 2Gs is of utmost importance. So if you can just get back to us so we can make those improvements
Alex,
ASAP.
Honestly, bro, I think it's a case of, it's just a thing of people see it at such an all-time high type of area. Guys just want to catch the massive sell-off. That's honestly what it is. Guys say it's very high, you want the quick sells. It's that whole thing of 1 minute glory, same reason why guys trade CPI, things like that. They just want to be involved in that big move, and because it's at an all-time high, they just think it's going to give that big move to the downside.
Changes. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about changes here, Chad. Quick question. I've been trading for almost a year. Watch over 3,000 plus hours of videos. Done about 6 mentorships. And I'm still not seeing the light. And I'm not too sure where I'm going wrong. Okay. Couple of things here. We're actually going to go to full screen mode for this gig, so I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready. That guy that asked me about Euro, I hope you took it. That thing is already running like almost 10 pips. I didn't take it, but I hope you took it, and I hope that thing runs for you, brother. May that be the trade that turns things around for you. But Chad, let's quickly talk about it. This here, all of this, I'm getting this sorted out. This almost looks like I'm stuck in that era of Enrique Iglesias and like Backstreet Boys. I don't know. I just need that choker with like the shark tooth and a little bit more tan. Then I can go back. Was that the 90s? I don't know. I think it was. I'm stuck there. But anyways, we're going to bring everything back to the future. John Ray Kutsia took that sell. Beautiful, deep blues. Coming back to changes. Firstly, 3,000 plus hours. You're trying to condense all of that into 1 year. That's the first thing. Secondly, 6 mentorships. Okay, that's the other thing. So 3,000 hours, 12 months, 6 mentorships. So if I just think about it realistically,
you overeducated.
Yeah, you did quite a bit. 3,000 hours. Divide that by 6. So let's say 500 hours per mentorship. Okay, so we just basically then going to take 3,000 divided by 12. That's 250 hours a month. Let's divide it into weekends. There's 8 days, 8 weekend days. So divided by 8. So that's literally 31 hours on a weekend you spent watching videos. Okay, maybe you watch during the week. So it's a lot of volume changes. It's a lot of volume that you're trying to take in. And the first thing I can almost tell you is you don't journal, because if you were journaling, you would have started to pick up certain stop losses all look the same, certain wins all look the same. So if you can be very honest with me, I'm going to give you the opportunity here. Changes, have you journaled every single trade for the last year that you have taken? And please don't be that fuck boy that would say, oh, I did, and it still doesn't make sense. Just be honest here with us. We're all human. We're not going to put you on a cross here or anything. We're trying to help you. So just be honest with me. If you're honest with me, I can help you. We can chat. So is it still safe to... No, I don't think it's safe to enter GU. I think...
like,
remember,
there's a reason we break even. If this thing comes down, it's going down. So, yeah, I wouldn't say it's safe to enter.
I used to, but I stopped. Okay. So you used to, but you stopped. Also over trading as well. Okay. So there already 2 things. start journaling again, stop overtrading. If you don't know what to look for in a setup, we've got an entire education section in our Discord. Go print that out. Go check it out. Wow, it's like you're speaking to me. Do not journal. Alright. Monkeys are changes. You cannot improve that which you cannot measure. So if something's not measurable, how are you going to improve? Alright. So let's start there. Start journaling. Start. There's Mo. Mo can chat to you guys. The first thing I asked Mo. Let me call Mo. Yeah, Mo.
Guys, it's a very simple thing. The thing for me is just with journaling, like if there's a problem, you're gonna see the pattern of what the problem is in your journaling. If you're not journaling, you're not gonna find a problem. You're not gonna know where to make the changes.
Chad, just look at us here. Incredible. Just a bad day to be this here. But anyways, Mo. Mo. Is there not another mic? Okay, no, don't stress. When you were going through, let's not even call it a rough patch. What was the first thing I asked you when you said, Chris, I'm struggling a bit, I need some help? What was the first thing I told you?
So here's the thing. Every time I'd be like, yo, Chris, I'm struggling with this or that, he'd ask me, did you journal it? Because if you're not journaling it, there's nothing to talk about. We don't know what we're going to be looking at or anything like that. So, yeah.
There you have it, Chad. That's
and it's helped a lot, I will say.
That is always going to be my first thing I ask you. People think I want to jump and say, try it. I'm going to say, bro, where's your journal? Let's...
You know, guys, just to add to it, like even Mo will tell you, like he's not just saying it helps. Mo was having an issue with his trading and literally journaling picked it up. That honestly, he just wasn't giving his trades enough time to hold, to breathe. He started doing that now and his trades are winning.
Mo, here's the
you
thing.
identified the problem.
Here's the thing though, Mo asked me for help, and all I literally do is I facilitate your journal. I ask you, Mo, alright, take me through your journal. And then Mo would say, oh, but I check here, I'm closing the trades within 7 minutes. So I'm just facilitating. I didn't even give advice. So it's literally Mo, that self-explanatory stuff where he's like, okay, shit, there I can see it.
Here's the thing also that worked for me, right? So like when you're trying to enter a trade sometimes, like in that moment where you're like, okay, this candle's gonna close, I try to journal beforehand. Like if I'm looking at a trade and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take like EJ for example, I'll make sure that like all my confluencies, like everything I'm looking at is correct before, like I basically journal beforehand. And then what happens also is that after the trade, I journal immediately, because only after like that storm do you realize that, oh, I completely missed A, B, and C. But that only happens after you close the trade. You get what I'm saying? So it helps a lot, man, like big time.
Okay, but then on a serious note, what are we doing with this here, bro? Are we, Keegs, you guys must let me know now, are we going to go for that slick, like that back?
Just do it,
like
just do it.
Do they call it Brazilian? So
well, no, the Brazilians when your hair is straightened.
Yeah, I want to straighten it, and then I want to go short on the sides, that very like wet look, oily look.
Yeah.
Do I actually use oil then to like oil my hair?
Nah.
It always needs to look like wet, and like if I drizzle it a little bit, like, ugh.
You need to hear that whiplash.
Or do you think Keeks more something more big, like perming a little bit, bringing it like a side piece? Chad, what do you guys think? Do you think like the slick back or the comb over with a little bit of girth and volume? Chat to me here, guys. Chris, you will look Cuban if you do that. That is exactly what I'm going for. If you said Cuban, you are right. That is what I want. Will, please. You guys are really a breath of fresh air. Thanks, Sean, my brother. Really appreciate it. Bald. I don't know what bald. Bald. Do you mean like go bald or
Bold.
or these? I'm still waiting for the Borat suit. Laz, baby. Laz, I'm ready to resume training, but we're gonna need to take it easy. I still have some lung batter I need to get off the chest. But yeah, I'm ready. Laz, took my last antiviral this morning. You cannot improve that which you cannot measure. Golden Nugget, Donnie, beautiful. Best live streaming channel ever. You guys are the best. 2 days after I joined this community, to be honest, you guys are amazing. Your trading psychology, your emotions, everything is on fire. Thank you. I'm very happy. Awesome, man. Chris, how about, bro, the mullet? I would love the mullet.
We're gonna have Chris squared with the mullet.
Yo, the thing is, I just haven't had like any girth on the back end here. I've been focusing a lot here on top, trying to go bold. Yeah, bro. What is the chat doing here? It's been a while. I can see the production quality have been coming along. Hey, Nathan. Always trying to be a step ahead.
We're figuring this stuff out.
Yeah, we're starting one of these days. It's a TV production. SABC with the 2 G's.
Hey.
Come on, baby. Nice RG cut. Yo, bro. I don't know if RG. I would dig a RG, man. From today in the next 6 months, I'll journal my trades and decisions thereafter, and after 6 months. Beautiful changes. We are here for you, my brother. So don't try and exile yourself. We are here every single day. Again, we go through stuff. Last year, there's times where Keegan was down and out. There were times where I was down and out, where I felt like, damn, this shit does not make sense at all. And that's coming from me that's been in this industry for many years. So there are going to be times where you just need somebody, people around you to basically help you through that rut. So yeah, please don't go and exile yourself. Girth is a wild word to describe you. Going for that girthy look. Okay, Keeks, what did you say? So Mo's saying the like the sleek back look with the Brazilian straightening it out. You saying that as well?
Yeah, I back it, bro.
Yes, bro. I just feel like I'll look like that 30-year-old guy going through a midlife crisis. Might as well tear my jeans at that stage as well. Like, will you help me just tear my jeans at the knee?
We'll do a quick one.
Yeah, Chad, then might as well just tear my jeans.
We'll just fund you, get you to trade NFP, CPI. They're going to kick you down the stairs. And then you come crawling back up. You should be good, bro.
Yeah, Chad. So we're going with that. We're going with the slick back look. We're going with the tear jeans. Keek said I can actually have these Woolworths jeans I usually wear. We're just going to cut them. So then I'll be good. Strobe. So one thing I want to talk about, Mo. Sorry, where's Mo? Let's get Mo in
Mo's
here.
gone.
Mo. Sorry, brother. Sorry, bro. I demand you today. All right. The Notion thing. Let's chat, me and you, afterwards. Let's do one a little bit more improved, better, and then we're gonna maybe. I'm gonna let Mo do the demo for you guys tomorrow. Because I'm going to give credit where credit is due, and Mo did a beautiful job. It looks professional. Look at this, man. Chad, give this man some flowers. Give him his flowers. Oh, shit, baby. Oh, man. Yeah. It's awesome, yeah. So me and Mo will quickly sit after the stream. We're just going to tweak some stuff, and then Mo's going to give you guys a demo tomorrow. I think... after let's call it after that rush, maybe after our first trade, maybe if there's like a little bit of, but then we're going to go through it.
Oh yeah, so they know how to access your trades and everything.
Yeah, but also for themselves, like showing them how to set it up, where, because I don't even know how to set it up.
The only thing is I want to figure out how we share it as a tip, but once I can do that.
Okay, so we're going to make sure, Chad. Notion, very, very good. Are you in a trade? Keegan's still in a trade. Keegs, give me a dope trading quote.
A trading quote.
If it ain't broke, no need to fix it. No, I'm kidding. Any update on trading?
Yo, I don't know, guys.
Yeah, Chad, if I don't know, like it always feels weird asking that, but if you can like the stream, that's technically the only way you guys can really support the channel, liking and subscribing, because that's going to help push the channel a little bit more. So yeah, Chad, if you would be so kind just to drop a like, we would really appreciate it. And then, as always, big thank you to Vault Markets and Vault Funder, proud carriers of the G's. So really wanna thank you. Carl James in the house, baby.
Oh, where's Mr. Carl James?
Carl James just landed. Carl's obviously gonna say I need to go for what do you call that? The French nip, or what's that?
French crop.
The French crop.
French nip.
Because Keegan said he's going for the French nip. I'm going more for the. I'm in my early 30s, midlife crisis. Need to have more sex with my wife. I'm going for that look. Keegs, but I would need to get like a oil. Like, how did the boys, those Mexican boys, it always looks like their hair's like oily.
Wet.
Wet. And
I'm actually not sure, bro.
Chad, you guys aren't ready for that. My goodness, all of this hair. I must actually phone my barber now. How does that Brazilian work? Is it like a thing they apply to make it nice and smooth? Or how does the Brazilian work? Or is it like, do they blow your hair out? Or
I'm trying to remember. So they put something in your hair, but then if I'm correct, they actually put you under that thingy. Almost like a dryer thing. Just to like kind of like get it into your hair. And then, I'll just take it from there.
King Shaq, why don't you guys go bald? No, bro. No. We're not part of that bald culture. But I do feel, Kicks, if we honestly start getting bold, let's just commit, bro, and rock the sides with, I don't know what do you call that, the plateau. Are we going to call it the plateau? Bro, you just need to, like, live with the plateau. Like, don't be ashamed of it. Embrace it. The plateau is where it's at. Go Tate. The thing though is Tate's got a very round head, Carl. My thing is my head is flat, my bro. Wait, I don't know if I can show you. When I was young, when I was a baby, my mom used to always lay me on my back, so my head is actually like a table. And I don't even think they put me on like a nice soft pillow. I think it was just like on the bed, like boom, head flat, my bro. So I can't do the Tate. It's like I've got no head at the back, and then I just have this face coming out of the back of my head. It's terrible. Bro said as the table mount. Yo, there you go. Table mountain, exactly. Table mountain. Bro, you can put a projector on the back of my head. That's how flat it is. It's bad genetics. If I can... honestly, I've asked my mom and I said, Mom, that during my development phase as a baby, like when your head is still soft and stuff, you guys just laid me down. You guys did me wrong. you guys messed me up putting me on the bed all day. Nah, bro, that's not on. That is not on. Keegs, how's your head's also pretty flat, bro. Your mom also. Wait, let me check. The thing is, you were picked up maybe like an hour a day. I was never picked up. Like your head at least got like a little room to breathe. I never. How long is the TFT down code valid till? I am Tosh. While TFT is down, the code will be valid. So we've got. Let's see.
Celebrating their failure.
We've got. Let's see what the funded trader. Okay. So we technically have 1 day, 2 hours, 39 minutes. So if they are coming back in the next, 26 hours, 39 minutes, 40 seconds. If they come back, that code is chalked because then they are technically not down. But if they keep on going, we might keep that going till there's official word from the funded trader. That's how long. Carl, this man does not have a perfect cop. Why would Carl say you've got a perfect head, my bro? Your head's also a little flat.
Hey.
Received a mail from them a couple of days ago. Yeah, let's see, Carl, if they...
They still owe me an account, so screw them.
My thing is, if they come back, Keeks, would you rather ask for a refund?
Yeah, refund.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, you can just give me my money back. I'm done. I won't trust them.
Chad, this is a Vault Funder account. Let's actually look at the execution here. Let's look at the execution here. Alright, let's check it out, Chad. There we go. Gold. Whoa. Chad, what is that? What is this? A raw account? My goodness, Chad. Just phenomenal. The thing with Vault Funder is we wake up every morning and we willfully decide to be the best prop firm in the space. It's not by accident. It is literally we choose it. It's an active choice to be the best. Okay, that's gold. Let's quickly look at the other ones. I hope I'm not gonna fall on my face here. Where it's that guy that was doing a demo and the thing broke. Shit. Okay, Vault Funder team, if you guys are gonna let me fall on my face here. Ooh, okay. Let's go US 30. Let's go US 30. Templates. Let's load a young template here. Okay. Alrighty, chat. US 30. Let's check this baby out. This is a live Vault Funder. Don't drop me here, Vault Funder. US 30. Let's go for a buy. Whoa, pinpoint, Chad. Look at that. We're throwing darts here. What is this? Darts were thrown here, Chad. Look at that execution. Okay, there was a dart thrown. Let's look at US Tech. Let's see if these darts continue. Chad, you can test it out. This is the type of conditions you guys are experiencing. Keegs, is this what you guys are experiencing on a daily basis?
Yeah, bro.
I don't know what to say, Chad. These conditions are way too easy. Let's look at US Tech. Darts. It's a dart right there. Absolute dart being thrown. Okay, let's mix it up a little bit. Let's go GBP USD. let's see what the majors are doing here, Chad. Let's see. It's all good and well. You talk a big game on gold and indices, but I feel like this is where things get real. Okay, let's check here. Don't let me down here, Vault Funder. Ooh, what is that? A pipette? That's not bad, Chad. That's not bad. That is something that I will. Let's quickly check here. US 30. US 30 running beautifully. Let's lock it in here quickly. Ooh, dot. Beautiful. Look at that exit. Let's go to US Tech.
I love how you just stuffing around with all the trades profits.
That's Chad. You can do this when you know what the bias is for the day. You can. Let's look at GU. Okay, let's check it at dot. Okay, let's look at the yen pairs. All right, so we've gone through some heavy hitters now. Let's go to the yen pairs. Let's go to the yen. Where's Chad? These are the type of conditions you guys need to deal with, and I know you feel like this can't be reality. Guys are punching the air. How is Vault Funder this
King
good?
you can scalp, bro.
Alright, Chad, let's GJ the dragon. Let's see what this thing does. 3, 2, 1. It's a dart. Keeks, what is that? That's a dart, my bro. Huh?
Yeah.
That's a absolute missile that just hit a target there. Chad, I don't know. This is the type of conditions that should be a standard.
Hey, I'm Tosh, currently up 3.7% on my 10k account. I won from Garen. Hey, the boy's doing the most.
What is he saying?
He's up. He's one of the account winners from Garen's giveaways.
I am Tosh, my boy. Tosh, okay, you one of the winners. Chat to me. How are the conditions? I'll just show the guys live here. This is the type of conditions. I don't know what more a trader would want. This for me is what I would want. As a trader, I would be happy with this. But Tosh, chat to us. Talk to me about the conditions. How smooth has it been? I know it's not as smooth as your risk game. I think your risk game is a lot smoother. But let's listen here to I am Tosh. Let's listen to Tosh here. Can you check WTI Angel relaxing music? I cannot do that. WTI is the forbidden fruit of trading. That is where dreams go to die.
Yeah, guys,
WTI.
the guys saying still deep blues on GU. Yeah, let's go back up. So we're still in this thing, guys.
Wait, you're still in.
Swing position, baby.
Chad, they didn't believe in us. Keeks, they
we
didn't
still
believe
in
in
here,
us.
bro.
They didn't believe
We still
in
in
us.
here.
Ah, baby.
We chilling.
Personal experience, I rated dollar account has a lot smoother entries than the ZAR account, but the dollar account has been perfect. Tosh, thank you, my brother. Thank you for that beautiful, honest opinion. Yeah, Chad, Vault Funder. I'm gonna put it out there. Let's not put a timeline on it, but I honestly feel like if the stakeholders, the team, everything we're doing, if we stick to what we're doing, top 5 before the end of the year, Chad.
We're grinding, guys. We got some moves we're making.
Top 5 before the end of the year. And again, it's not because I rate myself this or that. Actually, I had a call yesterday with a very solid trader, and I said the big thing for me with Vault Funder is being a trader myself. I know what is important for a trader, and if you think about our business model, it is always how do we make sure we can pay our traders. That is the biggest thing for us. How do we pay the traders? How do we make sure that the conditions are fair, that the conditions are solid? So I'm putting it out there. Top 5 before the end of the year. Top 5. Number 1 is going to be tough, Lyndon, purely due to the fact that FTMO have just been around so long. So we wouldn't say no, but busy with phase 2 at the moment. Hopefully we'll pass then. Make bank. Beautiful Safwan. You've got this, my brother. A firm owned by traders will always be unmatched. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Chris, if you need an economist, I'm here. King Shaq, I'm an economist myself, my brother. If you need an economist, I'm here every day for you, my brother. Chris, do you sell them the idea of the VF? No, I didn't sell them the idea. I just brought them the idea. Y'all going places with Volt, honestly, is the best. Beautiful. Any know what with TFT happened? Scam. Yes, scam. No happening. Nothing happening there. So yeah. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much regarding Vault Funder, but there's some almost sound like those influencers. Oh, something big planned. Big things. The Q2, biggest quarter of the year. But there's honestly like, let me just say stuff planned. Otherwise it sounds so dramatic. Keegs, what is planned for the 2Gs? When is the VVVIP launching?
The VVVVIP launches, guys, when we are going on 2Gs on tour again.
Okay.
We are going to be community meetups. And we're going to go exposing traders in real life.
Okay.
Big things coming, guys.
What is the cost of the VVVVIP? VVVIP.
The VVVVIP group, guys, is a mere $1,000 a month.
That's fair.
And you get all inclusive. You get full access to Chris. Chris will come to your house and make your coffee while he teaches you how to trade. But I think that's a fair deal, guys.
Keeks, sorry man. So Q Banks.
Yeah.
When you told him, was this his reaction? Keegan, are you guys doing the VVIP? Is that what he said? Is that what Q Banks said? Be honest. Tell the chat what when you were on that call with Q.
Bro, he just he went he looked like a ghost.
Okay, yeah.
Like even though the man's from Jamaica,
yeah.
he looked like a ghost.
Okay,
he was shocked, guys.
Mm.
He was left speechless when we said we're gonna be doing like a VVVIP group, because he was going like shit.
But just
how's he gonna compete with our VVVIP?
Show the guys when he said it. Just tell the guys.
Guys, just to make it clear, it's a case of it's 3 V's. It's the VVVIP group. He made it sound like we're in the VIP group.
I'm done. Finished. Nah, Chad. Woo! I'm finished. No.
Man was trying to start his lawnmower there.
Was this Q Banks?
Yeah.
Goodness, bro. Yeah.
Hey, bro.
Keegan, no, man. Wait. So he said VIP.
No, bro.
Okay.
That starter just wasn't switching on.
Okay, but what's the other guy's name? The other, the guy, the white dude.
What, dude?
That always has this cap. He looks like he's going to fire Burning Man. Man, what's his name? Bullseye was also like
Avenger.
No, not that idiot, man. Wait, I'm gonna tell you now exactly. Bullseye. Anthony Williams, man.
Oh.
So, what did Anthony say? Let's chat about Anthony for just quickly. Anthony,
Yo,
did
what
he go like
Anthony-
this, Keegan? Yo, guys, I don't know. I'm just living here, and you boys thinking about VIP, and then Anthony Williams going with that nose, my bro.
Just a little. Let's go.
Oh.
Of course, I'm a trader, guys.
VIP. Chad. No, man, I'm kidding. Q Banks. We still love you, my bro. But it's, stop scamming, please. Same with you, Anthony Williams. You Miami boys honestly need God. You really need God to intervene in your lives. Chad, let's quickly look at the charts. It's been a minute here. Keegs, let's start there. Keegs, how's the trade? It's not looking bad.
It's not looking bad. For me,
not
actually, it's
looking
looking good,
bad.
bro. Like, for me, we traded kind of rejected, but the 30-minute, we've actually gone up now and closed above the highs. That was the issue the first time around. We closed below, even though we had a massive wick. We came all the way right back down. Now we're closing right above. When we start looking on the 4-hour, our 4-hour massive closure above the key level. We've now set our wick to the downside. We can continue big time to the upside. So personally, I'm very, very happy with this trade. My stops are a little bit in profit, just obviously cover commissions, things like that. And I've got my alert there. This thing, I'm very, very comfortable with fundamental side of the pound. We tried to come back down, had our failure. So yeah, I think if we can get back above here now, we are golden. Same thing going over to DXY. We spoke about this. DXY coming back down, closing under the 200 and also under the S1. And that little stat of ours and Chris, very, very confident if we were not able to reject off of the S1 and now we can hold the S1, very likely we'll be trading down to the S2. So yeah, things looking very good for this GU trade. Just to sit back and
Relax.
set and forget.
Set and forget. Deep blues.
Deep blues.
Chad, it's been a session as mentioned earlier. DXY, obviously, it's been trading up. Like yesterday was the last bit of information. Not last bit of information, but JPL just saying September looking like the first cut. I think markets are now more or less like settled in, like they've accepted that we're not going to have 3 to 4 rate cuts this year. So I think just a US 30, unfortunately not getting that retest here, so just running. That's fine. We're going to see a little bit later where we are. Potentially could either get some trades from the Asia highs, or maybe we do an aggressive pullback before the open and we can grab it from there. But Nasdaq, very late in the session, I told you guys I'm looking for those potential buys here. So if you take it from here, good luck. Very late in the session. Not something I'm going to jump at now. Gold, beautiful. I wouldn't have taken it here, but if you go back to the start of the session, I told you guys I wanted buys above here. 80 just never fell in line for me there. 200 EMA, there's that Asia lows, beautiful. But again, gold is going to produce something a little bit later, so don't go anywhere. 3 o'clock, Keegan is saddling that bad boy up. Ready to take some trades on gold. Compliments from Q Banks, the stuttering scammer. GU, beautiful move. Let's see a little bit later that key level again, as mentioned. 4-hour time frame. I might look for that swing play here. Yeah, I'm going to actually set some alerts here and maybe catch it from the lower time frames once this 4-hour pulls back. Otherwise, you can go with a buy limit here. just a massive stop though, but that is the idea for us to go back to that daily pivot. So not the cleanest setup for me, but we'll see. Euro USD, just stepping here, nothing too much to comment on. UJ, Keegs was actually talking about sells looking good here, buys looking good here. I'm going to be very honest, if we continue lower, I think sells could look good below the daily pivot. Half round number, daily pivot. GJ, beautiful. If you think back this morning, half round number holding. I wasn't too overly interested in it. I was looking at EJ, which just ran away, but that's also fine, Chad. We're gonna maybe catch EJ a little bit later here from the half round and the Asia highs. Maybe see if this thing can get some legs to the upside. Chad, that is a session. Keeks, any closing remarks for the chat?
Yeah, guys, good session today. Caught like a banger trade there on GU. Very happy with the results of that trade. And like now we even have parcels running. We can see what happens to that. But yeah, guys, I think it was a good one today. Just shows us to be patient. Good lessons, some good things to keep in mind after today's trading session. But other than that, we'll see you guys back in New York and see what we can catch in the Wall Street sessions.
Chad, yeah, thank you so much. 7K yesterday. Keegan producing a beautiful trade here for you guys today. I produced something beautiful yesterday. Monday didn't produce anything. It's Wednesday today, Keeks. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right? It is Wednesday, Chad. Midweek reversals. I don't know. That is sometimes a thing. Midweek reversals. If it's not, just trade what you see. And it's been a beautiful session, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Trade safe, be safe. We will see you guys at 3 as Keegan and Jeff take on the Wall Street sessions. We're gonna end the stream with a banger, Chad. I don't think you guys are ready, so let's fade it in. This is where we fade the song in. Maybe 1 or 2 more times we'll play it. I don't know. It is a vibe for me. I like it. If you don't like it, let me know in the comment section. But Chad, peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys at 3.